Everybody in?
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Judge, yes.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is September the 20th. I will call the cases for the attorneys that are present and get them started working for you. After that, I will call the rest of the docket. Please mute yourselves until I am able to call on you. But that way you will not, as it's being done right now, that way it will not interfere with the call of the docket and slow us down. We have 106 cases today, so I appreciate your cooperation. Let's see. Attorneys.
We have Renee Munoz.
Hello, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Case number.
Let's see here, sir. I'm looking through all the pages of the docket. Get there. I have here, I want to get the right page number 9, Judge. Crystal Hayes, 689099.
Crystal Hayes, are you present?
Yes,
Crystal Hayes.
She's there,
Good
Judge.
morning.
yes.
Thank you for being here on time. Renee, what are you going to do with this?
I'd like to confer, Judge. I need to request some things.
I will list you as conferring.
Great. I have one more, Your Honor.
All right.
Also on page 10, Jessica Odom, 689695.
689,
695, Judge.
the top of the page.
Yes, sir.
Jessica Odom, that's 689. Are you present, Ms. Odom?
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Judge, if I could confer on this case as
I
well.
will list you. You are number 1 to confer.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Then we have Jesse Rivera.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I am substituting in for Emily Naranjo, and she's there in the courtroom, Your Honor.
Case
and-
number.
I don't have the case number on me, but she's in the courtroom right now. I requested from her.
Linda.
She has 2 cases, Judge.
I'm looking, Judge.
Pardon me?
Naranjo was the last name you said?
Emily Naranjo, she's I think it's the first docket setting.
677136, Judge, page 6.
677-136.
Mhm.
Emily Naranjo. Are you present?
Present in the courtroom, Judge.
She's in the court.
Gotcha. And this says Brenda Levenstein. Have you been hired or what, Jesse?
Yes, sir. I was hired yesterday. After I will get my notice in e-file today. And I wanted to see if we could just reschedule for 30 days.
We'll reset you 30 days, new hire.
Thank you, Your Honor.
1025.
10:20. Got it. Have a good day, Judge.
You too. Jerry Valdez.
Morning, Judge. I have 2 cases. I have page 4. Anthony Gloria, he's got an assault case, and I think that's gonna set that for trial. Then he picked up a new case, DWI. I don't have any discovery on that.
This will be set for trial, definitely. It's got 16 resets. And Anthony Gloria, are you present?
He's in custody, I see.
He's in jail. I got you. All right. So
All
he
right,
is,
Jerry, on that one, it's 1014.
1014, okay.
he'll be high on the list, so you'll be ready.
Yes, Judge. And then I have on page 8, I have Mr. Alvin Clark. He is in the courtroom.
Yes, I'm here.
And I need to confer with the state judge. There's a question about blood draws and stuff on this.
Okay, and this is a no file. I don't know if you're gonna, okay, try to confer.
Yes, Judge.
All right. I can see a nose and a mouth. There you are,
Yes, sir.
Albert.
Yes, sir.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your case number?
673-398.
Six seven three three nine eight, State versus Robert Villanueva.
He is present in the
Alright.
courtroom, Judge.
All right. Good
He's in
morning,
the courtroom.
Villanueva. Albert, what you gonna do?
I'd like to confer.
You shall. I'm listing you, your number 3 to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Christopher Castro, you're
Yes,
muted.
Judge.
Okay, Christopher Castro, what you?
I have Mark Lopez. I have no contact, Judge. It's an MTR setting on
How
page
about a case number, Mr. Castro?
656849.
Present in the courtroom, Judge.
All right, he is listed 656849. He's shown as a fugitive. Does he have a warrant?
I believe so, Judge.
Uh,
I'll
Ms.
let you know.
Ms. Grabowski, you'll have to put him in custody.
Yes,
It
Judge.
shows he has a felony pending. It shows he's a fugitive with a warrant and an MTR.
Yes, the warrant is for the MTR, Judge.
All right. So, Mr. Castro, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, I can go down there. Once I finish up, I have to go down to the 226 right now. So after I finish with 226, I will go down
All
and
right,
handle.
we'll list you as conferring. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Uh,
I do have one.
Alex Sharp, I'm sorry, did you have something else, Mr. Castro?
Yes, I do have Don Hernandez, 688980. There's a pending felony out of the same matter. Just gonna request a pending felony reset on that one, Judge.
688
980.
980.
Page 9, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Is Don Hernandez present?
Judge, she's actually in custody. I'm not entirely too sure why it says.
Okay, well, it's shown as a fugitive, but that's fine. If she's in jail, that's okay. I'm sure it's not okay for her, but I'll show you as conferring on her and look into that fugitive status. All right, is that it, Mr. Castro?
That is it, Judge.
Alex Sharp,
In a breakout room, Chris?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Alex Sharp,
Thank you. This is case number.
Alex, I don't hardly hear you.
I'm very sorry, Judge. Natasha Soto, 687
Hello?
I'm hearing,
178.
687178, Judge, page 8.
gotcha.
Okay, how
That's
may
a
I
no
help you?
file.
He is present in the courtroom.
All right. Mr. Sharp, I show Sean Brown as attorney. Are you with him or we all work together?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Spell that, please.
We need to, all right, and what are you doing on this, sir? It's a no file. You want just to reset,
Yes, Judge.
Alex?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna just give you a reset. Let's make this 40 days, see if we get a file going.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Take care. You got anything else?
Not today, Judge. You have a
All
wonderful day.
Alex, November 1st.
Thank you, ma'am.
Michael Valachek.
Yes, Judge, I have on page 4, Anita Casanova, 655047.
655.
047.
Linda,
Yes,
I don't see it.
Yeah.
5047, page 4.
Yes. In the middle, I think.
665047.
Yes.
Anita Casanova, are you present?
I talked to her
Anita
yesterday, Judge, but I
Casanova?
don't see your name there.
Anita Casanova is absent as of right now. Make sure she reports, Mr. Valachek.
Okay,
Are you going to confer? What are you going to
I'll
do?
give her a call. Yes, I'd like to confer.
I am scheduling you to confer, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Robert Valdez.
Good morning, Judge. I have two cases. One is Madison McIntyre, 653946.
653 9 653.
946.
I don't see that.
That
Linda?
one is set for November the 7th. Mr.
Okay.
Valdez.
November the 7th, okay?
Yes.
I'll note that you're very early.
Yes, and Judge, I have one more with the Attorney General. That's 672802.
672.
802, and Mr. Lara was here. He went to make a quick announcement in the 187.
Okay, where is
This
that
is
one?
this is the one, Judge, that I think I did as an add-on, but this is the one about the motions, correct? Mr.
Yes.
Valdez? From Friday's docket for the.
Correct.
672-802.
Yes.
What's the name?
Guillermo Lara.
Mr. Coffee should be logging on that one.
What's he charged with?
DWI.
You're kidding. How unusual. All right. You gonna
And-
confer on this, Robert?
If they're available, I don't see them.
Well, we'll make sure that they get in touch with you. If they don't show up in 20, 30 minutes, then there's gonna be a little bit of trouble.
Okay, well, can I then go to the 226?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Leo Gonzalez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have case number 687143.
687-143.
Page 8.
That is Victor Diaz.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Victor Diaz, are you present?
He is
Victor,
present.
I see Victor Diaz. I see him. All right.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to
Yes,
you.
Your Honor.
Thank you for being on time, both of you. Leo, what are you gonna do?
Need to confer, Your Honor?
All right, you got it. You got anything else, Mr. Gonzalez?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Renee Vela,
Present, Your Honor.
what's this bow business?
What does it mean? Well, it's a nickname I got when I was a baby.
Okay.
Um,
Is it
so
Bo or Boo?
it's Bo, like Bo Jackson, Judge.
What you got?
Well, I'm here on a Paul Anthony Ochoa, but I'm under the understanding that the case was resolved. I haven't had any contact with this client. This is from my notes. It was an MTR back in, I guess maybe.
I saw his name a few days ago. Linda?
I'm
Is it-
looking.
Pardon me?
What's the first name? Is it Paul Ochoa?
Yes.
Okay. Let me look. Hold on.
I don't think he's
I
on
have
today's.
you,
document.
well, I have you listed for the MTR. Mr.
What
Vella,
is the case number, Linda?
619-985, page 1.
619-985. Paul Anthony Ochoa. Is Paul Ochoa present? Paul Ochoa. Absent at this time. Mr. Vela, make sure that you get a hold of him. Have him report.
I'll do my best, Judge.
Are you gonna confer on this? What are you gonna do? It shows a fugitive status, meaning he's got a warrant. Mr. Vela?
Would you like me to confer with the state? That would be fine.
All right, then I'll list you as conferring. Okay, Albert, what you got?
Your Honor, I'm gonna have to get a reset because I need to get my wife the doctor's appointment.
All right.
If I and that's for Sergio Robert Villanueva,
What was the case number again?
673-398.
All right, reset 2 weeks or 30 days?
30 days is fine.
All right, we're gonna reset you. Make it 28, Linda. It's 4 weeks.
Okay, so we're gonna do the 18th.
That's November,
No, October 18th.
October.
And we'll be back in person.
Nice try, Albert. Nice try.
Okay, just
And
trying to
we'll be-
milk them.
And
There
we'll
you
be
go.
back in person, Mr. Rodriguez.
Okay, now, if I can speak to my client in the courtroom, he needs to give me a new phone number.
You know what? Let me get him back here. I'll get it and I'll email you.
He just walked
Okay.
out. He just walked out.
Okay, thank
okay.
you. Thank
All
you.
right, John Pettis, Albert, take care. I hope everything's okay.
Thank you, sir.
John Pettis,
Yes, Judge, I've got a Caleb Flores, 687-674.
687.
674.
It's
Yes,
actually
Judge, he's got two
673.
cases.
Page
He's got two
8.
cases.
Bottom of page 8. Okay, Mr. Pettis.
Yes, Judge, on that one, I'd like to confer.
Caleb Flores, are you present?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning,
All
sir.
right, I'm listing you as conferring, Mr. Pettis.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Rebecca Brett.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have a case on page 8. It's 686-769.
686-769. Tomas Fuentes.
Yes, Judge. He has 3 other cases out of 12 that we're working to get transferred into County Court 5 right now so that I can work on all these cases together.
All right, Mr. Fuentes, are you present? Tomas Fuentes, third time, absent.
Your Honor, I'll work on getting him on this morning.
I think you might want to. Are you going to confer on this?
Judge, I still need to review because we're working on transferring the case out of 12. I still need to review his 12 cases, so I would ask for a 30-day reset once I get him on.
Let's give her 28.
Okay,
Linda,
10:18.
all
Okay,
right.
thank you.
Arlene Gay,
Good morning, Your Honor. I have 2 cases, same defendant, Bentley Thomas, 691415 and 16.
6914. Excuse me. 15. And 16.
691415.
Yes. Bentley Thomas. Bentley Thomas.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Thomas. Thank you for
Good
being
morning.
on time. Ms. Gay, are you going to confer on that?
Not today, Your Honor, and the reason is that we're still waiting on the labs.
Blood waiting?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's give her 45 days, Linda.
Okay, that will be November the 8th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Excuse me. Is that it,
May-
Ms. Gay?
That's it. May we be excused?
You are both excused. Thank you for being here on time.
Thank you.
Rochelle Acevedo.
Good morning, Judge. I have Ariel Neek McVeigh. It's on page 2, 636058.
636-058.
Yes, Judge.
Arianique McVeigh.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Good morning to you both. Ms.
Good morning.
Acevedo?
That is a PTD agreement. My client, we had signed everything and I returned it to Ms. Chavez. I think we're just waiting on, I guess for them to contact her to have her initial
All right.
meeting with them.
What are we suggesting? 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
I imagine 2 weeks, Judge. I don't think, I mean, everything's been turned in, Judge.
Okay, let's recall it 2 weeks, Linda.
October the 4th.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Acevedo and Ms. McVeigh. Y'all are both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Let's see. Rebecca Brett, are you back up?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Fuentes is on the Zoom. He's under Justin's iPhone.
What's his case number?
It's going to be 686769.
Where is he?
You folks, you need to mute yourselves until I call on you.
Hearing right now. Is he?
Hello?
I got him, Judge.
Six eight six
769, Judge.
769. Okay, the gentleman has appeared. Thank you very much.
And Judge, may we be excused?
You are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Let's see.
Attorneys.
Charles, Mr. Barrera?
Yes, ma'am.
Roy Barrera Jr., what is the case that you have?
Judge, I have Mr. Hugo Vargas, 660-129-676-460.
Page 4, Judge.
Thank you.
Hello?
All right. Are you going, what are you going to do on this, Judge?
Judge, I need to confer, please. Can you put many are in front of me?
Absolutely. I'll put you to confer. Is Mr. Vargas Marin present?
Your Honor, I don't see on the screen.
Hugo Vargas Marin. All right, he's absent as of right now, Judge. Let me know if you get him to check in. Otherwise, it'll have to be a warrant in 1 week.
Yes, sir. Right now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Charles Gold?
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Mr. Gold.
I have Neely Hunter Neely, rather. It's 649200. It's on page 3, the second one down. It's an MTR. It's our first setting.
Very good. That's Hunter Neely.
Yes, sir. And he's right here with me, Judge.
Very
We're
good.
in y'all's witness room in the back here.
You going to confirm on this, Mr. Gold?
Yes, sir. I'd like to confer with this.
I understand you have an interesting nickname.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
What's
Goodus.
Goodus?
Yeah, good as gold. All right, I'm allowed a little bit of humor.
Yes, sir, you are. That's a good
All
one. I'll
right.
see you later. Thanks.
Charles, have a good day. You're gonna confer. I've put you, listed you to confer.
We
All
have
right.
Valerie Hetland and Jeannie Cupid in the courtroom, Judge.
All righty. We are blessed today.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I am well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, except I'm supposed to be in the 187th right now doing an announcement to go to trial. So I'm here on Guadalupe Salazar, 668772.
Page 5.
And she is logged on. I don't see her name.
668-772.
Yes, sir.
Guadalupe Salazar and Ms. Headland. What are you going to confer after you visit the 187th?
Yeah, Your Honor, I would ask, I don't think, is Kenny still out?
Kenny is out, but we have Virgil Yanta here for him.
And I'm sure he's probably swamped right now. So instead of standing in the courtroom to confer with him, may I be excused and my client, this is our first setting, and I
All
can
right.
confer with him off docket if you're good with that.
Just give you 28 days.
Okay,
October the 18th.
That's 4 weeks from today.
thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You are excused.
Thank you.
Jeannie Cupid, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I'm on Val's trial case with her, so I'm in the same boat. I have Shaquan Moore, 679050.
That's on page 6679.
050.
All right, is Shaquan Moore present?
Judge, I was texting him earlier. He said he was logging on, but I don't have the ability to see everybody who's on the screen.
I hear you.
I'm
All
here.
right.
He's here, Judge.
Very good. Appreciate you being here, Mr. Moore.
Yes.
Jeannie, are you going to want to confer or you got
Judge,
something else?
Well, I'm going to go pick that jury with Val, but Judge, I had conferred last time with Mr. Vance, and I had been expecting a dismissal on this case. Mr. Vance has now moved on, and I have tried to follow up, but Kenny is out. So I would just request like a week's reset while I figure out where that dismissal might be.
Okay, let's recall it in 2 weeks. Give you a little time to get it cleared up.
All right, Judge, I appreciate that.
No problem. You take care. You and Mr. Moore are both excused. Thank you for being on time.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Moore, I will text you and call you. Thank you.
October 4th, Jeannie.
Thanks.
Then we
Joel
have
Richardson.
Joel Richardson.
I'm here, Your Honor. Mr. Gomez. I called the number they gave me.
How about give
Wrong
me a case
number.
number, Joel?
691-315, page 10, Judge.
691-315.
So I called the number they gave me. The lady said it was a wrong number. So apparently I asked her if she knew where he was. She didn't know who he was, wrong number. So
All right.
if he's here today, I'll be happy, but if he's not, may I be excused to go back to another court. They want to take a plea on a jail case.
Okay, Edward Gomez. Once, twice, Edward Gomez, third, failure to appear. Thank you, Joel. Take care.
My nickname was JoJo when I was a kid, Judge. JoJo, and my mother called me a monkey.
You and Mr. Gold or who was it? Somebody, Bo? Renee?
Yeah, my mother called me a monkey, though. She called me a monkey.
All right.
Thank
Public Defender Renee Munoz.
Yes, sir. The Honorable Judge Longoria. I have Crystal Hayes, page 9, 689-099.
689-099. Both of you were present. What did you got to say?
Yes, Judge. There's still missing videos, so the state's gonna make that request to get those over to us.
How much time do they need? 30 days?
28 days, Judge. I think I have some matters on October 20th, Judge, in y'all's court already. So if you guys want to set it for that date for efficiency, I would request
Linda,
that.
make it so.
I will make it so.
All right. Let's see.
One more case, Your Honor, on the next page, page 10, Jessica Odom, 689-695.
Right. You were both present. What you got that one?
Yes, Judge. There was a alleged crash in this case, so we're working on getting the restitution amount squared away. So my client's going to provide proof to me that it's been taken care of, Judge, so we can proceed with
How
this
much
case.
time we're looking at?
If we can get that October 20th date, Judge, I think that might work well.
Very good.
Gotcha.
It will be so.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
You're welcome.
Mr. Khan,
Yes,
what's the case number?
I think it's 685-937.
Say again.
685-937.
What's the name?
Angelina Ramirez. She's on pretrial diversion. She's waiting for the officer to contact her.
685-927.
937.
I don't see it.
Hold on.
I go from 685-143 to 686. Is
It
there a
was
different
sent
number?
last week, and I think somebody sent me an email about this setting. I received it on September 16th.
Is this on Angelica? I'm sorry, Angelina Ramirez?
Yes.
That's in County Court 8, but we have, for you, we have case number 691-266, Maria Ramirez on the docket.
691-266.
Yes.
So I am looking at the docket that was sent on September 16th.
Now you have Maria
Right.
Ramirez, are you present?
And it's for Maria Ramirez, 691-266, Mr. Khan.
Oh, right. Okay, it's my mistake.
It's okay.
Maria Ramirez. Mr. Khan, Maria Ramirez is absent at this point, will be a failure to appear unless you get her to report.
Yes, Judge. Do I get her to just sign on right now? If
That'll
possible?
do.
Thank you, Judge. And I'll take leave for a few moments.
All right,
Apologies for the mix-up.
no problem. Jerry Valdez.
Yes, Judge, I confer with the state on Mr. Clark.
Give me the case number. Got 106 on docket.
687-242, page 8, third from the bottom.
Very good. What you got?
Yes, sir. They're gonna order the drug results on him. It's gonna take probably 45 days to get those results from DPS.
That's if you're lucky. We said it's 45, Linda.
November 8th.
All right, and Mr. Clark is on there, Judge. Can he be excused?
He's excused, as are you. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
May I ask something?
Pardon me?
This is Alvin Clark. I was like, may I ask, is there a way to
Are you
still
an
get
attorney?
No,
Alvin
Mr.
Clark, are you an
Valdez is
attorney?
his attorney.
Mr. Clark, I'm gonna call you right now.
Thank you.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge.
Sydney Reed.
Yes, Judge. I'm here for Leslie Lopez. And I'm sorry, I don't have a cause number. Hold on. It's 691-336.
Six 691-336. Leslie Lopez.
Yes, and she's present on Zoom.
I'm here, Judge. Sorry, my voice. I had pneumonia. It's going in and out.
Not to worry, you're here and that's what counts. Ms. Reed, what are you doing on Ms. Lopez?
May I please confer with the state?
Absolutely. I'm showing you as conferring. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
How's things in Australia?
Great.
Yeah.
All right, attorneys, let's see some hands or let's see something.
CJV. You're muted.
Judge, this is Joseph Esparza. I don't know if you can see me or hear me.
Hold
I
on,
see you,
Mr.
Joseph.
I have Kendrick Bustamante. He's at the top of page 6.
President, Judge.
And he still has a felony pending, Your Honor, if we could get a reset.
And I am also here, Judge.
Two felonies unindicted, so you've got a mess there. Let's give them 45 days, Linda.
November 8th.
November 8th. Okay. Thank you so much. Are we excused then, Judge?
Yes, sir, you are.
All right. Thank you.
CJV, who are you? You're still muted. Come on. You're muted, sir.
Unmute. Can
There
you hear
you
me?
are. All right. Who are you and what case?
My name is Chad Vasic. Deborah Burke's my attorney. I'm actually her client.
Oh,
I'm here.
okay.
All right. Then you
Just
have
hold
to,
on then.
thank you. We'll stick around.
Yes, sir.
Cesar Sednam.
Yes, Your Honor. I represent Frederick Munoz. He's on page 7. And he's got 2 cases, Your Honor.
Frederick Munoz, are you present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Cesar,
Sir.
We'd like to confer, Your Honor.
you are scheduled to confer, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. In the courtroom. In the courtroom, attorney.
You're muted.
I apologize, Your Honor. Good morning. Jose Rocha for Norberto Godina Medrano.
Case number.
Apologize, Your Honor.
That's all right.
668-881, page 5, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
668-881. And is Mr. Osmar Cruz Juarez present?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry, I got the wrong one.
I'm present.
Okay,
Okay.
Norberto Godina Medrano.
Presente.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Mr. Rocha, what are you gonna do on this?
Your Honor, it looks like we're going to come to an agreement on this particular matter. However, I need to speak to the district attorney's office to iron out the details. Would you like me to find a place for me to be able to log in?
Yeah,
So that I can
suggest you do
confer?
that. I'll list you as conferring, so find a place, do what you gotta do.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be right back.
All right. Robbie Ward.
Jonathan Perez is on page 2, Your Honor. His felonies are set December the 1st, unless the prosecutors want to do something today, but every time I talk to them, they say that the felony prosecutors are going to make the decision.
Jonathan Perez, are you present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good
Ms.
morning, sir.
Ward, ultimately, what do we need to do?
You can let me talk to a prosecutor if they're going to do something, if they're going to tell me that it's up to the felony prosecutors. Would you set it December the 1st, the same day as his felonies are set?
That makes sense. Linda, make it so.
Got it? And then I'll put you in a breakout room, Ms. Ward.
Thank you.
All right, let's see attorneys. Who we got? Anybody? See, show of hands. I don't see anybody else. And you no more attorneys, Linda?
I don't. Oh, there's
my name is Asia Cornelius, and I have a
Wait for
page.
your name to be called.
We're calling attorneys right now, ma'am. Thank
Javier
you.
is on.
Javier Garcia.
Your Honor, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm here for Todd Sekula. Shannon Locke is the attorney of record. The cause number is 688-994. It looks like a notice of appearances was accepted yesterday. We requested discovery. We're waiting for that to upload so that we can have a discussion with the prosecutor.
Who is that on? Todd, you said?
Yes, and he's present. He should be present, logged in.
Todd Sekula.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Javier, I show Brian O'Donnell is the attorney.
I think the notice was accepted either yesterday or early this morning.
Okay. And what are you going to do with this?
Your Honor, we did request discovery. I haven't been able to review any of the downloads because it's still populating on e-discovery, and I'm respectfully asking for a reset.
28 days, Linda.
October the 18th.
All right, attorneys, any other attorney? Show of hands.
Judge, Your Honor, Hadi Khan here on Maria Ramirez.
Hadi Khan, yes, sir. Which case number?
691266.
Page 10, Judge.
Mr. Khan, talk to me. Has she reported? Is she here?
No, Judge, the number that I have is incorrect, out of service. I've tried to send some emails. This is a first setting. So
You
I'd
have
ask,
1 week. You have 1 week to produce her, or there will be a warrant for failure to appear.
yes, sir. Should I instruct her to just make an appearance during business hours in CC5 if I'm able to contact her?
That'll be good. Just get her here, one way or the other.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You're excused.
Thank you, sir.
Any other attorney?
Yes, Judge, good morning.
Good morning. Jesse
here.
Garza.
Yes, sir. Well, my government name is Jessica. So, I'm here for Chantrell Ford.
I'm sorry,
Chantrell Ford.
you got a case number?
Yes, sir, 603-394.
603-394. That is Chantrell Ford. Chantrell Ford, are you present? Chantrell Ford is a failure to appear at this time. Ms. Garza, if you get them to report within 1 week, there will not be a warrant, otherwise there will be.
Well, Judge, I'd like to talk to you about that, Judge.
All right,
I did ask to be removed several years ago because I have not lived in Barrett County in 3 years. But of course, that was when it was in a different court.
all right.
I have not, I mean, it's not, I would think it's safe to say it's not her fault that she is not here today. Unless she was given notice when she
2410.
brought it out.
69-7.
Linda, make an effort to give separate notice to this individual, Ms. Ford.
Okay, I will reset
And
it.
we're gonna allow Ms. Garza a oral motion to withdraw. We'll need to replace her with another appointed counsel.
Sure.
Where are you living now, Ms. Garza?
Travis County.
Okie dokie. That's a booming place. As witnessed by the traffic on in the morning and noon and at night. Okay, anybody else? Thank you, ma'am. You're excused.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Bunk. Where is he? I just saw him.
Where is he at?
There's Mr. Charles Bunk.
Yes, I'm here.
Charles Bunk,
Yes, Judge.
what you got?
Last name is Woods, Woods. First name Perreal.
I need a case number, Charles.
Hold on.
We've got 106.
669-627.
669-627. That's on page 5.
Yes.
669-627. For
Yes,
real,
sir.
Mathis Woods,
Yes, sir.
is he present?
I believe so,
Mr.
as far as I
Mathis
know.
Woods. Mr. Mathis Woods. Last call. For real, Mathis Woods is a failure to appear. Charlie, if you get him to report within 1 week, we won't issue a warrant.
I didn't hear you. If I get him to do what?
Get him to report or show up. We will not issue a warrant. After 1 week, we will.
Okay, I'm on it right now. Thank you, Judge. I'll be
Take
back.
care. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. No other attorneys. Now the court will call the regular docket. Starting with 498-202, State versus Mike Cardenas.
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Cardenas.
Good morning.
Have you
Nathan.
hired an attorney?
I have a court appointed with Arlene Gay.
No, not for your MTR, sir.
Oh, well, that's who they told me. So I'm not. I mean,
It's
I'm
okay.
not-
I'm gonna recall this in 1 week. Let's find out whether you got an attorney or not. You got it? Make that 2 weeks, Linda.
2 weeks. Okay. Mr.
Yes.
Cardenas, can you call me? I'm going to give you my number.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
210-335.
Okay.
2172.
Okay,
Okay, call me later this afternoon and I will discuss with you about court appointed.
okay, thank you.
532-860 State versus Margarito Rocha, attorney, John Perez Jr.
I think he's conferring.
He appears, Margarito Rocha, are you present? Mr. Margarito Rocha, 3 times your failure to appear. 563-979 State versus Jennifer Herrera. The
Yes,
attorney is
sir.
Sean Sheffield.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Herrera. Mr.
Good
Sheffield
morning.
is, anything from Mr. Sheffield, Linda?
I believe he's running late, Judge.
All right. 617-543 State versus Joan Lopez, attorney, Jesus Garza. Anything from Jesus Garza?
Oh, that's gonna be a motion for speedy trial at 3, Judge.
Linda? 619-985 State versus Paul Ochoa. Still missing. 620-614 State versus Pedro Martinez, attorney, Suzanne Kramer.
Pedro Martinez on Zoom, sir.
Thank
morning,
you.
Judge.
Good morning to you. And Suzanne Kramer, Linda?
I believe she's running late, Judge.
That's an understatement. 629-898 State versus Taylor Wesh, attorney, James Oltersdorf.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Mr. Wesh?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
Have you heard from Mr. Oltersdorf?
Yes, sir. I was on the phone with him yesterday, and he has a felony trial today, so he just wanted to get an extension. I've not been in contact with him this morning. I texted him.
Okay, if he's in trial, we'll take his word for it. Let's reset this for 28 days, Linda.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Wesh,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
next court date is gonna be October 18th.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will let Mr. Olsterdorf know by email, but to let you know, by then we will be back in person. You will need to be in the courtroom for docket call at 9.
Yes, ma'am. Sounds good.
630-410 State versus Kayla Sulak,
That's a
attorney.
motion to suppress at 1:30, Judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Going on page 2.
Tiene que hablar más fuerte.
630-743 State
¿Qué es su
versus.
apellido?
Somebody needs to be muted. 630-743 State versus Pearl Palomo. No attorney. Pearl Palomo. Pearl Palomo is absent, but this is a no file. 630-810 State versus Fabian Leiva. No attorney. Fabian Leiva. Failure to appear. 635-675 State versus Joseph Rodriguez. No attorney. Joseph Rodriguez. Joseph Rodriguez, failure to appear. 623 State versus Celeste Garcia. Attorney, Robert Behrens. Any word from Robert Behrens?
No, sir.
Put him on my list. That's not the first time. And this is Celeste Garcia, is failure to appear. That's been reset 18 times. Put a special note on that. 644-562 State versus Cristina Gomez, attorney, Robert Marr II. Usually Robert will contact us by
Yes,
email.
he did. He's gonna be late.
All right. And Cristina Gomez,
I'm here, Your Honor.
good morning, Ms. Gomez.
Good
All right,
morning, sir.
Stick around and wait for your attorney. I saw the lovely Deborah Burke. How are you?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm good. Thank you.
What you got?
I have Chad Basic. You want the case number at
Yes, ma'am. Case number
685145.
685-145.
Yes, sir.
It's on page 8. Deborah Burke, and your client is Chad Basic.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Chad Basic present?
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Basic.
Morning.
Ms. Burke, are you going to confer? What are you going to do on this?
I would like to confer with the prosecutor. Yes, sir.
Okay, you do have a felony pending that's unindicted. You are listed to confer.
Thank you.
Is there any other attorney there that I haven't seen?
Christopher Castro.
Judge, I'm back from,
Castro, what you got?
I'm back from the breakout room.
All right.
I believe this MTR probably needs to get resolved today because the warrant and Mr. Lopez being in custody. I'm gonna go down there right now.
You want to give me the case number you're referring to, please?
Oh, sorry, Judge. It is
656-849, page 3.
Okay. 656-849. And you're going to do what now?
Judge, I think I need to go down there and discuss the options that the state has given us for the MTR to Mr. Lopez.
All right, well, I've still got you listed as conferring, so go ahead and do what you got to do, but I've got you shown conferring.
All right, Judge, I'll be down there shortly.
Alrighty.
The breakout room kicked me out, so I don't know if maybe there's someone available at this point to talk to.
Linda,
I'm
Ms.
looking.
Ward,
Yes.
Ms. Ward has
It's
been
ready.
kicked out of the breakout room.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back.
Thank you.
All right, in the courtroom, attorney. I don't hear you. I do not hear you, sir.
I'm sorry, Judge. This is Eduardo Jimenez for Rebecca Ortiz, case number 675-772. It's a DWI. I need to just speak to the prosecutor on that case, Your Honor.
675-772.
Rebecca Ortiz, that case was dismissed.
Okay, very good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Brilliant defense.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay.
All right, we'll go back to page 3.
Page.
Yeah.
Yes.
647-780, state versus. God bless you, Eileen Trejo, attorney, Raimundo Aleman. Anything from Raimundo?
No, sir.
All right, and Eileen Trejo? Failure to appear. 653-111, state versus Louis Rendon, attorney, Brenda Levenstein.
I'm present, Your Honor. She
Good
said that she
morning,
was.
Mr. Rendon. Ms.
Good morning, sir.
Levenstein?
She said she would be running late, that she had some other cases and trials this morning.
All right, stick around then. 653-962, state versus Richard Espinosa, attorney, Brian O'Donnell.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Espinosa. Brian O'Donnell?
He's late, Judge. He'll be running late.
Okay, thank you. 655-334, state versus Sarah Alvarado, attorney, Flavio Hernandez. Any word from Flavio?
Yes, he's running late, Judge.
And Sarah Alvarado? Failure to appear on Sarah Alvarado. 655-683. It's been called. Next one, 658-402, State versus Victor Arredondo. Attorney, Edward Bravenek. Victor Arredondo, failure to appear. Edward Bravenek, any word?
No word, sir.
So noted. 659-236, State versus Amanda Torres. Attorney, Thomas Hele. Amanda Torres. Failure to appear. Thomas Hele, any
No,
word?
no response, Judge, no.
Going on to page 4. 660-323, State versus Adrian Reyes. Attorney, Robert Moore.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Reyes.
Mr.
Good morning.
Brown, be
Stick
late.
around, wait for Mr. Moore.
Okay, sir.
663841, State versus Michelle Espicia. Attorney, Robert Moore. Michelle Espicia. Failure to appear. Going on to page 5. 668454, State versus Osmar Cruz Juarez. Attorney, Armando Roman. Osmar Cruz Flores. Juárez, pardon me. Osmar Cruz Juárez.
Presente.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Armando Roman. Linda.
No response, sorry, Judge.
Well, tell me.
I was
darling.
looking at my voice, I was looking at the emails.
Mhm.
Sorry.
671796, State versus Ronald Tristan. Attorney, Brenda Levenstein. Ronald Tristan. Ronald Tristan, failure to appear. Brenda Levenstein, have we heard from her?
Yes, she'll be late, Judge.
Okay. 673266, State versus Destiny Peña. And that's Ashley Morgan as attorney.
I haven't heard from her, but it's not. It's not.
That's not like her, but
No, it's not.
Judge,
Destiny,
you have two attorneys,
pardon me?
those two attorneys with their hands raised.
Okay, I'll be back with you in a moment, Michael. Destiny Peña is failure to appear. Michael Valachek.
Yes, Judge, I'm back from a breakout room on Anita Casanova. I still don't see her on the meeting, and she hasn't answered my text.
How about a case number?
It's 665047. It's on page 4.
All right, I show her as absent, so you got a week to produce her.
Okay.
Are you through conferring?
Yes, I'm through conferring, Judge, and
All right.
she has a case in another court also, so she may be confused. I don't know.
Check it out.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Leo Gonzalez.
Yes, Your Honor. I finished conferring on 687143. Victor Diaz.
687.
143. Yes.
687. Right, okay, what you got?
Your Honor, he's got a felony pending in the 226 that has not been indicted. We need to reset to see if that what's going to take place with that case.
Somebody needs to be,
Got it.
all right, sir, I couldn't hear you because we were being interfered with.
No
Contrary
problem,
to-
Your Honor.
Contrary to my instructions. All right, talk to me now.
Yes, sir. So he's got a felony pending in the 226 that has not been indicted. We just need a reset to see what's going to happen with that case, and then we can proceed from there.
Linda, felony pending unindicted, reset that 60 days.
60 days would be November 29th.
Okay.
All right, getting back to the regular
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be
docket.
excused? May my client be excused?
Yes, sir, both of you are excused.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's see. I think we're on page 6, Linda.
6, yes, page 6, Judge.
Before I do that, Chad Basic,
That's Deborah, Burke's, client, Judge.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
all right. What do we got?
He's Deborah Burke's
I'm a-
client.
I got you. All right, thank you. 676541, State versus Asia Cornelius. Attorney, Monica Kerala.
I'm here. Good morning.
Who is answering?
The defendant, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Cornelius. And
Yes.
have we heard from Ms. Kerala, Linda?
I saw her log on.
All right, so we know she's around.
She was around, yes.
All right. 676998, State versus Edgar Gutierrez, attorney, Neil Kalfas.
Good morning, Your
Edgar
Honor.
Gutierrez,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Present.
good morning. And Mr. Kalfas, Neil Kalfas, any word? Linda?
No, sir.
No response. All right. Stick around, Mr. Gutierrez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
678540, State versus Marisa Foxworth. It's either Foxworth or Foxworth. And it's Thomas Hele.
No.
Anything from Thomas Hele?
No, sir.
No response. And Marisa is failure to appear at this point. 680154, State versus Mercedes Moreno, attorney, Gail Calderola.
Present in the courtroom. Ms. Moreno is present in the courtroom.
Thank you, bailiff. Have we heard from Gail Calderola?
She's running late, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
We have Judge Barron's on, Judge.
Robert Barnes, case number.
Just chatted me.
Doesn't sound
Sorry,
like he's
Judge,
here.
I was in the middle of, I just chatted and then I had to find my window and get that closed and yes, I'm here on 643623, page 2, Celeste Garcia. I think she's been accepted into mental health court. That's what I was trying to do when you called my name.
Court.
Yeah, I believe somebody had
All right,
texted
we'll
me
check
about
that
her.
out. We'll check it out. As of right now, she's a failure to appear. We'll find out if she's with the mental health court, then we'll.
Here, Judge.
Yeah, I was gonna say she should be here. You're
All
there?
right.
I'm
Very
here.
good. Very good. All right. What are you gonna do on this, Judge?
Well, it says here that she's scheduled for a mental health intake appointment on 9/27 at 8:30.
All right.
I just got an email.
Then let's reset this for 30 days, Linda.
Okay,
See which way we go. If it gets assigned to mental health court, then we're through with it here.
okay, that would be October the 25th.
All right.
All right. Did you have
All right.
another case?
I don't, well,
I don't think so.
I was gonna say, I don't think so.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Take care.
Thank you.
Your
All right,
Honor.
back on page 6. Yes.
I'm
Robbie
I'm
Ward.
back. We are going to just have to run it with the felonies and let the felony prosecutors make a decision. So
Give me a
December the
case.
1st.
Give me a case number.
It's page 2, Jonathan Perez. He has 3 cases.
635-272.
635-272. Reset
December 1st.
to December 1.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, back to page 6. 681375, State versus Isaiah Gomillion, and that's William Chumbley as attorney. Anything from Mr. Chumbley?
No, sir.
Make a note, he's not responding. And Isaiah Gomillion is a fugitive and apparently is a fugitive out of this court too. On page 7, 681502, State versus Jacob Boteo, attorney, Rene Munoz. I know Mr. Munoz has been here.
Yeah, let me call him and let him know that he missed one.
Okay, 681502, Jacob Boteo. Jacob Boteo is a failure to appear. 681659, State versus Justin Garcia, attorney, Sharon Thorne.
Your Honor, I'm here. I'm in the courtroom. My client should be online.
I'm here.
And I'd like to
morning.
just set this for trial, Your Honor.
All right, set it for trial. Linda,
October 14th.
do you have any others, Sharon?
No, Your Honor, I believe that's all I have.
All right.
May I be-
thank you,
may I be
ma'am.
excused?
Yes, you are. You and your client both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
684, you're welcome. 684027, State versus Oliver
And
Recinos.
Presente.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Sean Farmer, Linda.
no response, Judge. I haven't heard from him.
All right.
He's on his way.
684282, State versus Raymond Coburn, attorney, Stephen Barrera.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Is that Mr. Coburn?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Coburn.
Good morning. How you doing today?
I'm well. How about you?
I'm trying not to complain, right?
All right. Stephen Barrera,
I haven't gotten anything from him yet.
Linda.
I haven't heard from him, Judge.
Okay, no response.
Yeah,
684.
I've texted him and I texted him, just waiting for a response.
All right, well, just wait
Thank
until
you.
he gets here.
Yes, sir. Will do. Thank you.
684313, State versus Timothy Ortiz, attorney, Julie Pollock.
Here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Ortiz.
Good morning.
Julie Pollock.
She said she was going to be running a little late. She has, I think, 2 other cases to take care of.
All right, going on to page 8. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Boom, boom. 686810, State versus Isaiah Cardi, and the attorney is Matthew Brown.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Isaiah or Isaiah Cardi.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning. How do you say their first name?
Isaiah.
Okay. The spelling here is ISIAH.
Yeah, it's a little different than the traditional.
All right. Matthew Brown.
We'll be late, Judge.
All right, running late. Then we have, the rest of the page is complete. On 687655, Sway Zavala, that's Gail Calderona is the attorney.
She's late. She'll be late, Judge.
And Sway Zavala, failure to appear. On the page 9,
I think all of page 9
It's
we've done
complete.
already.
page 10. 691264, in jail, State versus Joshua Martinez. Attorney, James Hunt. James Hunt. No response. 691295, State versus Jose Perdomo. Attorney, Miguel Hernandez III. Neither one is present.
Present Judge, according to my docket, he will be taken into custody due to that active.
Is he there?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, it does show he's a fugitive with a warrant. It's probably out of this court. We'll have to see when Mr. Miguel Hernandez decides to show up.
He is a Spanish speaker, Judge.
Buenos días, señor Perdomo.
Contéstale.
Buenos días.
¿Está en comunicación con su abogado Hernández?
Yes.
Contéstale.
Sí.
No lo oigo. No lo escucho.
Sí.
Ok, espere su abogado porque ahorita lo van a arrestar.
Okay.
691-321, State versus Andrew Nunez, attorney, Joanne Aco. Andrew Nunez, failure to appear. Joanne Aco, anything from her?
Yes, she'll be late, Judge.
691-360, State versus Fernando Segura Guajardo. Attorney, Teresa Garcia. Teresa Garcia, no response. And Fernando Segura Guajardo, failure to appear. On to page 11. 691-375 is already called. 691-400, Victoria Haynes, attorney, Ashley Morgan.
Judge, that's gonna be reset.
691-401, State versus Hector Santana.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Santana. Have you hired a lawyer?
No, sir, I haven't. I had a veteran group reach out to me, but they never contacted me back, so I'm gonna have to just hire one on my own.
I'm going to recall this in 2 weeks. You show up with your attorney.
All right, yes, sir.
That's gonna be on October 4th, Mr. Santana, and that'll be in person. You will need to be in the courtroom for docket call at 9.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
691-428, State versus Michael Peterson, attorney, no attorney. Michael Peterson
Present in the court, Judge.
in the courtroom.
Yes, Judge.
That's right.
Mr. Peterson, have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
I don't hear him.
No, sir.
Well,
He says no, he has not, Judge.
he requested a court appointed and that was refused. So he needs to come in 2 weeks with an attorney.
Did you hear that, sir? You need to come back in 2 weeks with an attorney. Wait on that court date. Do you have a court date for him, Linda, in 2 weeks?
No, can you tell him to come back here, please?
Okay.
691-435, State versus Madison McIntyre. The attorney is Robert Valdez.
Mr. Valdez?
It was already reset that to the,
No, actually, I got confused. The motion to suppress on the 653-946 is reset. I forgot that she has a new case.
oh, well,
Okay, well, Madison McIntyre is a no file, so reset that 30 days, Linda.
Okay.
okay, no file.
No file, sir.
Okay.
1025, Mr. Valdez on that one.
What's the date?
October 25th?
Okay, thank you.
And you, we already called Guillermo Lara, right?
Yes.
Yes, we're back.
Motions.
Did the government show up?
I believe Brent Coffee is on. I did get.
Yes,
some-
Judge.
Yes, there you go.
All right, have you conferred with Mr. Valdez?
Not today. We did a few days ago. I did confer, actually met with Matthew Allen, who's also on the case yesterday.
So we have any results from this or what's going on?
No resolution.
Okay, so
We've had, so I'm here for the Attorney General's office in Austin, Texas. That's where I'm zooming in from. our agency has taken on a handful of cases for Bexar County. I do have a history in Bexar County, so I volunteered to take on those cases. We've had an administrative issue as far as getting notices for these cases. Last week was our first appearance for this case in court over Zoom. We don't have an agreement right now. We do need a trial setting. I know the DA's office, when they request officers, they have an internal system to request those officers. They can do it very quickly, but outside of that, we need a little bit of time. So if we could have 30 to 45 days for a next trial setting, that would be great.
Well, Judge, we've had 2 trial settings and notices have gone out. I don't know why he hasn't gotten the notice, but I don't think it's incumbent upon Mr. Lara to notify him. This case has been pending since October the 30th of 2021, and we've been asking for trial since March. And it's been reset for trials twice.
Well, I have to disagree with Mr. Valdez because I by chance happened to be in San Antonio yesterday for another case in a felony court. I stopped by County Court 5 to look at the court's file. I didn't see any notices in there that was sent out. I did not see an order that was appointing our agency to this case. So if Linda or the clerks opened up that court file, there was not anything physically in the file to notify us. So,
well, my point is that this case has been set for trial twice and reset to notify you. I don't know why you haven't been notified, but it's not incumbent upon Mr. Lara to notify you.
well, both parties are entitled to notice for any trial setting. You know, I'm not going to quote the rules of criminal procedure here, but
Okay, the debate is over. Linda, make sure that we get official notice to the Attorney General's office. Also, give us a trial setting now.
October 14th.
Mr. Coffey, the court is informing you in open court that we're set for a trial date of October 14th. In addition, we'll make sure that you get a written notice of not only the trial date, but that you're appointed to act on behalf of the state, since the local district attorney has opted to recuse himself. All right, thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Charles Gold.
He stepped out. He's talking to Marty in the office, but Judge, I looked on the chat and on page, and there was on the chat sent to me, defendant on page 2, 635-675, Joseph Rodriguez. He did send a chat. He has trouble logging on, but he even gave the case number, which that's how I found out who it was, 635-675. He is present. He's just having trouble hearing him. And also page 3, 655-334, Sarah Alvarado also. She did respond. She just sent a chat that you can't hear her, but she is present.
I'm present, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
Also, Judge, I'm here as well. I'm Amanda Torres. You asked for me earlier, but I guess my mic wasn't working.
All right. Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I was at the jail court regarding my client on page 3, Richard Espinosa. He's present on the Zoom. Your Honor, we have an offer. I would ask if I could have a breakout room with my client, Richard Espinosa.
All right, sir. Linda, make it so.
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's 653-962.
You already called the docket?
Keys. Edgar Gutierrez.
Keys, your car keys.
Oh.
Who?
Edgar Gutierrez.
What's the case number?
How you doing, son? Good to see you.
676-998.
Shots.
76998.
10:30 appointment.
Person on Zoom. What is your first name?
Yeah, be careful. Good to see you, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna go log. log on somewhere or can I just-
All right, Debbie Burke.
You can stand right behind this attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let him know.
Chad Basic, I stayed in the breakout room 30 or more minutes. No one joined me, but that's okay because he is a felony pending. And I was just gonna chat with the prosecutor. So can I just get a reset? Felony pending, no court date.
Case number.
Okay, I happen to have that.
998.
685145.
685.
145.
Okay.
We only have one prosecutor, Ms. Burke, and I do apologize.
That's okay. I don't really need to talk to them, so I came back.
Okay.
Okay. You have a felony pending that's unindicted.
No court date.
Let's do a case, let's do a 60-day reset, Linda.
November the 29th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May Mr. Basic and I leave.
Yes, you're excused.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Sydney Reed.
Yes, Judge. I'm here on case number 691336, Leslie Lopez.
691336.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's a first setting. I've conferred with the state. I'm asking for a 30-day reset so I can talk to my client about kind of her options in this case.
Reset 30 days, Linda.
November 25th. I'm sorry, October 25th.
Thank you. May I be excused?
You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Cecil, help. Cecil, help.
Yes, Your Honor. I
Press-
was just in jail court with Mr. O'Donnell.
I don't hardly hear you, Cecil.
My client, the case number is 690971, Melendez. He was here earlier, Judge. While I was in jail court.
What is that number?
690971.
That's in County Court 6.
Oh, my bad. Very well.
You go to County Court 6
Stand
with
behind him so he'll know.
Cecil
Yes,
with
Your
the red, white, and blue that you're wearing. Go into County Court 6, you'll get a salute.
I'm gonna do that. May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. The late Flavio Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm with Sarah Alvarado. She's,
Case number.
she is case number 655334 on page 3.
And I'm present, Your Honor.
She is present.
I need to confer, Your Honor.
All right, sir. You are scheduled to confer.
Thank you.
In the courtroom. I don't hear you.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Judge, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I hear you now.
I'm on page 6. Case number is 676998. Edgar Gutierrez.
He is present.
Yes, Judge. He's there on Zoom.
Who are you? I don't
Paul
see you.
Vasquez. Paul Vasquez. Oh, let me step back.
That's good. Paul Vasquez for Neil Kalfas.
Yes.
All right. So what are you doing?
I just need to confer.
I'll schedule you. I'll show you conferring. There's a whole long list of people.
Paul, any way you can get on your phone so I don't have to do it through the courtroom?
Yes, I'll go back in the back.
Okay.
All right. Monica Kerala.
Here on Mr. Raymond Coburn and Miss Asia Cornelius, if I can get into a breakout room with the prosecutors on
How
both.
about giving me some case numbers, ma'am? I've got 106 cases today.
All right, I've got a case number for Mr. Coburn.
Somebody needs to be muted.
It's your background, Judge.
282.
Say again, Ms. Kerala.
684-282.
684-282. That's on page 7. It shows Stephen Barrera.
Yes, sir, I'm with him.
Okay. And what are you doing on that?
I need to confer with the prosecutor, Judge. And I'm here on another charge as well, cause number 676541.
676-541. That's Asia Cornelius. She's also present.
Yes, sir.
And what are you doing on these?
I need to confer with the prosecutor. We're waiting for them to approve
That's
our
on both of
counter
these?
offers from the last setting.
That's on both of these?
Yes, sir. Now, if it's okay, can my clients be excused while I confer? And if we reach a plea deal, I can have them come back in?
Yes, Mr. Coburn and
Ms. Cornelius.
Ms. Cornelius, y'all are both excused. Your attorney will be doing some work and it's not necessary for you to sit around and wait. Stay in communication with your attorneys.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
You're
Judge.
welcome.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take care.
You too.
All right. What else we got? Anybody that thought their name should have been called and they didn't hear it, or you came in late and have not had your name called?
Yes,
Or that
sir.
you
This
haven't heard it?
is,
Okay, Joseph Rodriguez.
yes, sir. Case number 635-675.
Say again?
635-675. I did put in paperwork for a court appointed. I'm still waiting back to hear.
Are you
Hear
in
from
the,
them.
are you here in the back office?
No, ma'am.
Do you know when you did your application?
I did it last Friday, I believe, or
Last-
Thursday.
Okay, okay, I'll look. Is there a phone number, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am. It's 210-782-0444.
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, for Fabian Leyva, I showed up late as well.
630-810.
Give me 1 second. For my case number, 630-810. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Leyva, are you going to need a court-appointed attorney as well?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, I'll need you to come in to fill out the application. Is there a phone number where I can reach you at too?
Yes, ma'am. It's going to be 210-360-0733.
Okay, I'll need you both to come in, Mr. Leyva and Mr. Rodriguez. My phone number is 210-335-2172. I need to see if y'all can come in sometime this week to fill out the application so I can appoint an attorney to you guys.
Okay, and I'm sorry, can you repeat the number again?
Sure, 210-335-2172. We are here from 8 to 5. So if you can come in and fill out the application so we can get you a new court-appointed attorney and a court date for you.
Okay, perfect. And where am I going to go when I show up to county court?
You're gonna come up to the 4th floor to County Court 5. Our offices are in the back. If you can't find us, call us at the same numbers except the last 4 are 2549 and we'll help you get to the back offices.
2549. 335-2549.
Yes, you can locate.
Okay, perfect. Is there a specific time I need to be there?
We're here from 8 to 5.
Monday through Friday?
Yes, sir.
Linda,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
532-860, Margarito Rocha.
Uh-huh.
Have you heard anything?
I haven't heard anything, Judge.
All right, it's 10:31. It's a failure to appear.
My name is Perry Mathis Woods.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Woods.
Let's see. Six, 19985, State versus Paul Ochoa. Failure to appear. That's our second call, is 1031. One on the page 2.
Let me check the county attorney. He's with my office.
630743, State versus Pearl Palomo.
It's picked up.
It's a no file, so I will not issue a warrant. 630810, State versus Fabian Leiva.
That's the one that Linda just gave information to, Judge.
Okay.
You guys wanted to, I just wanted to gel up for everyone else.
Okay, I'll call you. Okay.
On to page 3. Six, 47780, State versus Eileen Trejo. Raimundo Leman has not responded, right?
No, sir.
And it's 10:33, and Ms. Trejo is a failure to appear at 10:33. Six, 58402, State versus Victor Arredondo. Victor Arredondo, no response. It is 10:33, failure to appear. 659236, State versus Amanda Torres. I think she appeared, right?
Yeah, she did, Judge.
Yes, Judge. I'm here.
Thank you, ma'am. Edward Brabenik has not appeared, and it is 10:33 still. And Thomas Hille has not appeared, and it is now 10:34. On to page 4. 660129, State versus Hugo Vargas Marin. And that's Roy Barrera's client. It is 10:34. And it's a failure to appear as of this time. 663841, State versus Michelle Espicia. And that's Robert Marr. Michelle Espicia, it is 10:34. And it is a failure to appear. 665047, State versus Anita Casanova. It is 10:35. And it is a failure to appear.
I haven't been able to contact her, Judge.
All right, you got a week to produce her.
I'll try. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. On to page 5. 669627, State versus Peril Mathis Woods. That's Charlie Bunks.
Yeah.
Here, Your Honor.
Peril, you're here now?
Yes, sir.
All right. We were looking for you.
Yeah, I was calling around. I was thinking I was supposed to be in the courthouse.
All right. We got you in. Next time that we have a reset, we'll probably have to come in person. Hold on. Stick around and talk to Mr. Bunk. 671796, State versus Ronald Tristan, attorney, Brenda Lestine. Ronald Tristan. It is 10:36. Failure to appear. 673266, State versus Destiny Peña.
Judge, that one's gonna be a reset.
Okay. And the attorney, Ashley Morgan, have we heard from her?
Yes, that I just got a notice from her, so I'm resetting it.
Okay. On to page 6. 678540, State versus Marisa Foxworth. And the attorney is Thomas Hille. Any notice from Thomas Hille?
No, sir.
And it is 10:37. Ms. Foxworth is failure to appear at 10:37. 681375, State versus Isaiah Gomillion. And it's William Chumbley. No word from Mr. Chumbley.
No, sir.
It's 10:37. No response from the attorney. 10:37, failure to appear by the client. On to page 7. 681502, State versus Jacob Boteo. Jacob Boteo.
Judge Renee was just in here on that case. He has felony pendings and he also stated he has a competency issue.
Yes, to what?
He has a competency issue.
Okay. Have they filed a motion accordingly?
Not with us. I'm gonna check with Renee about doing that and seeing if he filed one with the felony cases.
Okay, there's a felony pending unindicted,
Yes.
and actually a total of 3 felonies, but 1 is unindicted. All right. That's it for, Sean Farmer, did he ever respond, the attorney?
No, that's Renee Munoz on that case.
I understand, but I'm now looking at 684027.
No, Sean Farmer, yes, running late, Judge.
Okay. And then we had, all right, that's been covered. Page 8. Page 8, 687655, State versus Sway Zavala. That's Calderola's client. Sway Zavala, it is 10:39, failure to appear. And Ms. Calderola, she's gonna be late, okay?
Yeah.
That's it for page 8. Page 9.
Nothing on page 9. that
Nothing
I'm-
on 9. Page 10. Woo, prize. 691266, State versus Maria Ramirez. It is 10:39, failure to appear. 691295, State versus Jose Perdomo.
He's
And
in
we
the
did
jury
not-
box.
He is in the jury box.
Yes, Judge.
Did we ever hear from Mr.
We haven't
Miguel?
heard from Mike Hernandez yet.
All right, and it is 10:40. No
It's an-
response from Mr. Hernandez.
It's also a no file, am I correct?
That is correct.
Yes.
So where's the warrant for, from which court? Is that from our court apparently? Linda,
I don't
check
have that
into it
information,
after we
Judge.
close
Linda
it
may
out.
have it.
Yeah, I'm gonna look right now. I'm more than sure it is. Hold on. 691295. Yes, it is, Judge. It's from our court.
And what is it?
It is for a violation report from September the 2nd. From pretrial.
All right, we'll look into that after a while.
Okay.
Then we have 691315, State versus Edward Gomez. It's a failure to appear. Joel Richardson was here. Edward Gomez, it is now 10:41. Failure to appear. Then we have 691-321, State versus Andrew Nunez. Joanne Akel is attorney. It is 10:41. Failure to appear. Then finally, we have 691-360, State versus Fernando Segura Guajardo. And Teresa Garcia never showed up, right?
No, she hasn't, Judge.
She what?
No, she has not shown up.
Okay, it is 10:42. No response from the attorney. 10:42, failure to appear. Page 11.
There was none on 11, Judge.
Hold on a second on James Hunt. Did he ever answer on Joshua Martinez?
No, sir.
All right. And it is 10:42. Mr. Hunt is no response. Nothing on 11.
And that's it.
And that's all she wrote. Be sure you make a note about resetting that Guillermo Lara case for trial
Yes, sir.
and giving notice to Attorney General that they have been appointed.
Yes, I asked Brent copy for his email so I can send it to him.
All righty.
And yes, I did send that to you, Linda. If you got
Okay,
it.
thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, you're excused, Mr. Coffey. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Good to see you, Judge.
Okay, it is 10:43. Let's take us a 15-minute break. Well, we got Mr. Sedna there.
Yes, Your Honor.
What you got?
Judge, I had a chance to confer with Mr. Ayanta. He's made an offer, so I just need some time to go over that with my client.
Give me a case number.
Yes, sir. This is on Frederick Munoz. Case number, one of the case numbers is 682-327. And then the other one's 329, Your Honor.
Stage 2.
Page 7, Your Honor.
Yeah, 682-327.
329.
Yours, what are you doing with that?
I'm sorry, Judge?
What's
Judge, an offer was made today. I'd like an opportunity to visit my client.
About 3 weeks. We'll recall you in 3 weeks.
Perfect, Judge.
Okay.
Will you all send me that, Judge, by email?
It'll be 10:11, but I will also send you an email.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, then we got Brian O'Donnell.
Yes, Your Honor, I had a chance to confer with my client on page 3, Richard Espinosa, case number 653-962. Your Honor, he's asking to be screened for the mental health court program. I received an email from them today saying that they're okay with that. They're open to that. I would ask for a reset so he could do that in
4 weeks, you said?
That would be fine, Judge.
10:25.
I'll actually be out of town 10:25. I have a vacation letter on file.
Okay, when do you return?
November.
November or what?
Well, it'll be the Monday. I think it's the 3rd or 4th.
Okay, so how about November 7th?
That'd be great. Thank you so much. Your Honor, may I be excused along with my client?
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Linda.
All right, who have I got there?
Armando Roman.
Armando Roman.
Your Honor, good morning.
Good morning. What you got?
It's 668-454. It's on page 5. It's the second case. Osmar Cruz.
Okay. He has been patiently waiting. What you got? Had not heard from you, Mr.
Your Honor, what we have is I'm sorry?
We had not heard from you at all. I'll remind you that the rules tell you that require you that if you're not going to be here at 9 o'clock for the call of the docket, you're supposed to let us know at least by 8:50. You are now reminded.
Okay, Your Honor. I sent an email to Linda earlier this morning.
Yeah, I do show that you did send me something.
All right, so what are we doing?
Your Honor, in this case, Mr. Cruz has the court appointed Sarah May as the immigration attorney in his case, and she is finalizing a Padilla letter. And so I'm going to ask the court for a recess in this case to be able to complete that letter.
And how much time are we looking at? 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
I'd say 2 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, recall 2 weeks, Linda.
Okay, that would be October the 4th.
Sure.
Okay, and that'll be in person, correct?
Yes, we will be back in person that Monday. Yes.
Sean Sheffield.
Good morning, Judge. I have Jennifer Herrera. Need to speak to the prosecutor if I
How
could,
about
Your Honor.
give me a case number so I can find
I
it on the
apologize.
page?
It is 563-979.
That's on the first page, 563. Whoop. Say again?
563-979, Your Honor.
First
There
page.
it is. Yeah. And you want to confer, you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm showing you as conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, in the courtroom.
Judge, this is Chris Castro. I'm here on Mark Lopez.
All right, case number.
656-849, page 3.
All right.
Judge, we have an MTR. He is here on a warrant. We're ready to get this resolved today when the court has time.
All right. Linda, we're gonna have him this afternoon.
Yeah, we can. We do have a motion to suppress and motion for speedy trial. If you want to do it right before that, we can.
Well, it's 10:49. We've got an hour and minutes before the time. To be more correct, an hour and 11 minutes. All right, what do you want to do?
Judge, we can come back at the end of the docket and do it this morning, or I can come back in the afternoon. I do have a bond hearing at 1:30 though.
Okay, let's try and see if we can fit him in towards the end of the day, Linda.
Okay.
All right. Stay in touch, Chris.
All right, will do, Judge.
All right, John Perez.
Chris, can you come?
Yes, Judge.
Which,
Sorry.
Perez.
Yes, Judge. I'm here on Caleb Flores, 687-674, also 687-673. Got 2 cases. I have conferred with the state, and for the second prosecutor now in the row, they're going to review for dismissal. So we can give them a 2 to 3 week reset to allow them to review it and dismiss it. We should be okay.
All right, so let's give you 21 days.
How many?
21.
Okay.
3 weeks now.
3 weeks, okay. October 11th.
That'll work.
John, you know you had another one, Margarito Rocha?
You what?
Margarito Rocha.
Toss me back in the breakout room. I'll go ahead and go back in and confer on that one.
Well, he failed
he
to
here?
appear. Well, no, he failed to appear. I just didn't know if you knew about that one.
I did not know about that one.
Okay,
In that case, I will see what I can do about trying to contact him.
okay.
All right.
Maybe excuse Judge.
What do we got? Okay. Let's take about a 10-minute break, Linda,
Okay,
10 or 15.
Miss
okay,
Flores,
okay.
Miss Linda.
Yes.
Yes, I was trying to see if my name was on the docket.
Do you have a case number?
I do not.
What's your date of birth?
11/28/2000.
Milton Soto?
No, Rocky Soto.
Rocky Soto. Okay, hold on. You were set on 9/12.
On the 12th.
Mm-hmm. You failed to appear on the 12th. Flavio is here. Hold on. He's actually in a breakout room. Give me a second. Let him come back, okay?
Okay. The thing is, y'all had told me the 15th or the 14th, and then I got a text message saying that it was reset to the 20th.
Who told you that?
Well, I got it by a text message.
From who?
I'm not too sure. I don't have a phone, so it was sent to my fiance.
No, I don't know where that you got that information from, but you were set on 9/12. Wait for Mr. Flavio and we'll see what we can do, okay?
Alrighty.
Hey, Linda, it's Paul Vasquez. I'm still waiting to confer. Do I need to go into a breakout room or just wait here?
Yeah, we only have one prosecutor. So let me see where I can put you. Give me one
Okay.
second.
Okay. Linda, while I do that, can my client be excused? Do you want him to stay on?
No, they're excused.
They're excused. Okay. Edgar, are you there? He must have logged off, Linda. Can you check on that for me?
Yeah, give me one second. Okay, there you go. All right. And if he did log off, I mean, we knew he was here. He announced.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, Pareel, hold on. Let me talk to the DA. I'll be back, okay?
I can't hear anything. Like I can't hear. We on break, bro. Okay.
Marty Luna? Oh, there you are. I need to talk to you. Mr. Bunt, do I need to put you in a breakout room with the DAs?
Yes, please.
Okay, give me 1 second. Rocha, same thing?
Same thing. Thank you, Ms. Fergus.
You're welcome. Yes. Grabowski,
Speak to me.
I'm gonna make you host. I'm gonna make you host. When I make you host, put me in the room where Virgil is with I think it's Flavio and Monica Corella.
Okay, Mr. Mauer is here in the courtroom and he asks if you can place him in a breakout room with one of the DAs.
Yeah, I can. If he logs on to his phone or something, I can do that.
Okay,
Okay, I'll go down the hallway.
he said, okay, he'll go down the hallway.
Okay, can you put me in that breakout
Linda,
room
did you get
now?
my email this morning?
He wants to know if you got his email this
Yeah, I
morning.
did, and I let the judge know you were gonna be late. Mike is there on that one that you also have in custody of. That's Mike Hernandez.
Linda, you want me to assign you to where?
The breakout room where Yanta is in right now, please.
Okay. Oh, gosh.
I think he's with Flavio.
Yeah, but it says Linda Flores assigned to, and it has a whole bunch of room
Yeah.
numbers.
So look, just go down and see where Yanta's at. and assign me to that same room.
It's not giving me names. It's just giving me room numbers, nothing else. It has your name assigned to, and it has rooms 2 through 20.
Right,
No
so
names.
scroll down, and if you go down, look at like 12 and 13, there should be names in there.
Okay, hold on. I got it assigned to. With who?
Wherever Virgil's at.
Oh, Virgil Yanta.
Hey, how are you? Thanks so much for that.
The only number, oh, there he is. Okay. Room 14. I'm assuming it's that one.
Okay.
I've gotten for that modification. Did you get you told me to send it to you in a document? Did you?
This is the bond.
Did you assign me to it?
I'm trying.
So go to my name, and then it's gonna say assign to, and then you're gonna scroll down to where 14 is and hit that.
Says Linda Flores assigned to, and it's 14. Okay.
Mhm. There you go.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Did you ask me a question? No, ma'am. You would have to, that's the main, ouch. That's the main screen. Right now, she just went to a breakout room with the ADA and an attorney. She'll be back, and the only way you can address her is on that screen. This is mine along with yours in the state. It's just a screen to look at, but to stand right here in front of this camera right here, like. So you can see me right here. Right now, she's in the breakout room, and there's this little mic right there. So for her to hear you, you need to press it.
Is it up there? Or
Yes, I'm taking this one up there also.
My attorney called, but I don't know if I'm supposed to go like to a room or not. Cause when he called, like the Zoom, like made it to where I couldn't hear anything.
Do you know what room you're supposed to go to?
No, I couldn't hear anything, and then he like tried to wave. But like if you're on Zoom and then someone calls, like it'll glitch out or something. I don't know.
Who's your attorney?
Charles Bunk.
Let me see. Hold on.
Grabowski is that masked person.
Judge, I'm sorry. What did you say, sir?
This is that masked person. In the Lone Ranger at the end of the show, they always say, "Who was that masked man? Who
was that?
Can you hear me or do?
I don't hear you.
Can you hear me, Judge?
I hear you.
Julie Pollock.
Hey,
Sorry I'm late, but I'm here.
better late than never.
That's what I say.
What you got, Julie?
And Ortiz. Timothy Ortiz.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
I'm sorry.
Case number.
Oh. Case number, well, 684-313. He's actually got 3 cases.
Okay,
Page
that's
7,
on
Judge.
page 7.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Ortiz has been here on time. Ms. Pollock, what are you gonna do with this?
Well, could I possibly reset it for next Wednesday? So I can confer with the state? The 28th?
Read it to the 28th. Yeah,
Is that good, Judge?
hold on a second. Linda's on a break. I had taken a break. I'll tell you what. It's 684-313. I'll put a note on here. And that is C. Ortiz.
Timothy Ortiz. Ortiz.
Mhm. We're gonna reset to the 28th, recall on the 28th.
Yes, sir.
Got that, Mr. Ortiz?
Yes, sir. So all 3 cases are gonna be for next week?
Everything at this court will be reset then.
Okay, is it gonna be in person or is it gonna be still on the Zoom? I heard Linda saying it's gonna go back to in person.
September 28th, all the way till October 3rd. And from there on, we'll be in person. Before, we'll be in Zoom.
So next week will be in Zoom?
Zoom.
October,
Correct.
September 28th, we'll be in Zoom, sir.
Okay,
Same
thank
meeting ID,
you.
same password.
Okay,
All
thank you.
right, I made a note, Ms. Pollock and Mr. Ortiz, excuse.
Thank
Maybe
you, Judge.
Am I excused or no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Ms.
Thank you.
Corella.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I've had an opportunity to confer. I've got page 6 of your docket, Miss Asia Cornelius, 676-541. We reached a plea bargain agreement, and so I'd like to set her for a plea. And if we could do the plea this week virtually, that would be great, unless pleas have to be in person.
Case number, please.
676-41,
676-541.
correct. So cute shoes. They're so cute.
Linda will get back to you and let you know, Ms. Corella.
Okay, that's fine. And then I have
Linda.
another,
Go ahead.
my other client is Raymond Colburn, and I'm trying to find him right now. Give me 1 second to find his cause number on your docket. All right, he is on page 8. Is that right?
What? You have
He's
the
on
case
page
number?
7. Yes, it's 684-282. He's on page 7.
Okay, Ms. Raymond Coburn.
Yes, sir. And I got an offer from the DA. I just need to convey that to my client and see if he wants to take the deal or go to trial. Those are our 2 options.
So how much time do you have to discuss that with him?
If I can have a week to discuss it.
Okay. I will call it in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. May I be excused?
Hold on just a second. I got these notes. Linda's not here for a moment. It's
She's in the breakout room,
684
Judge, with the ADA.
684-282.
I didn't hear, Judge. What was that?
Open. Torella and read for 2 weeks. Okay, now you're excused and so are your clients.
Thank you.
Take care.
Mr. Perrio? Mr. Perrio Woods?
Grabowski.
Yes,
I guess I'm host again. Am I host again?
I don't know.
Can you just make sure I'm host?
Let me see.
I am.
Linda,
Yes, sir.
I have several announcements for you to be aware of.
Okay, Judge, ready.
When you're done with the judge, come over here because I don't know how to check that for you, Linda.
I think I am.
Okay, and I have two in custody, so I can't leave right now.
No, that's fine. Okay, thank you.
Okay, uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Linda,
Yes, sir.
listen, Linda, listen.
Yes.
684-313.
Six what?
Timothy Ortiz. Timothy Ortiz said it was pretty Paula. She showed about 10 minutes ago. She's asking me to call this for 28th of September.
Reset 1028. Okay, got you, Judge.
676541.
Six what?
676541. Asia Cornelius.
Oh, okay, yes.
She wants to reset that for a plea. Corolla is the attorney.
Okay.
she indicated kind of the sooner that we can, is okay with her.
Okay, so I'll call her on that.
684-282. Also, Kira, his client is Colburn,
Yes,
recon 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, that would be 10-4, okay?
Then
That's it? Okay.
that's all the opportunity I had to do the job for you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Christina Gomez? Let's see, who's your?
Yes, I'm here.
Who's your attorney, Miss Gomez?
Robert Maurer.
He was here.
I'm in the conference room. I'm logged on.
He's in the conference room logging on. He's
No,
he's
I'm
in,
on. I'm just waiting. They have me in the waiting room.
he's waiting to be accepted in.
Then is that you? Because
That's Mr. Bauer, Robert Bauer.
I can't accept him. Can you? Let me go look. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming to see if I can put him back in. Hold on.
I'm gonna get her before I start.
Miguel Hernandez Tercero.
Good morning, Judge.
Sure.
I'm sorry, I had 3 trial settings today and 2 no-shows and 1 reset, so.
Did you let us know that ahead of time? Is it required in the rules, Mr.
No, they never tell me these things.
Well, I'm telling you that the rules require you to be into this court by 8:50 M. Especially when not be able to appear at 9 o'clock. We understand this. We
Well,
also know the rules require you to inform us
thanks,
of
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Ahorita.
Mr. Hernandez, what's your case number?
Your Honor, it's on page 11, page 10. Jose Perdomo, it's 691-295. Says that he's a fugitive.
It does. In fact, he's in the courtroom being in custody.
Okay.
He's before you, Your Honor.
Are you able to see him?
I see him now, sir, the gentleman with a white t-shirt and a whatever
Puma.
that orange animal is on his chest. I had not had contact with him before, Your Honor. They sent me a violation. They didn't even give me a telephone number for him. I tried to get through Amigo bail bonds, but I wasn't able to contact him.
It shows a no file, Mr. Hernandez as well.
Okay, Judge. Well, all I could ask, Your Honor, would be if the court would allow, if he doesn't have a bond, to give him a bond, and if he doesn't, if he had a bond and he's off bond, the court can set a bond.
We'll need to find out what's going on.
They had an off bond, I guess it was the pretrial services. They said he had not reported, not in compliance. I didn't have enough. They didn't even put me on the appointment, give me a number.
Mr. Perdomo?
Judge, if I may interrupt, Judge, he's a Spanish speaker, Judge. So I don't know if you may want to talk to him in Spanish along with the attorney.
Okay. Miguel, I know you speak Spanish, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's see, if we can get you in. Linda, Mr. Perdomo is in, he's just, what are the warrants that we are on him?
Well, okay, let me bring it up. Give me 1 second.
It's 691-295.
Okay, it's because of a violation report, Judge. And the bond there is a bond, it's 3,000.
It's what?
3,000.
Okay. Miguel, you hear that? The bond at this time is 3,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Señor Don.
Yes, sir.
Ok. Su abogado ya se acaba de presentar hace como 5 minutos. Él no se ha comunicado con usted porque no tiene el teléfono suyo.
Ok.
Dele el teléfono a la bailiff, la señorita ahí que lo tiene debajo de arresto.
Ok, está bien.
¿Cómo?
Está bien, yo se lo doy.
Yes.
Get his phone number. La señorita Flores le va a ir ahí al cuarto de la corte y le da el teléfono suyo para que se pueda comunicar con el señor Enes. Y ahorita estamos revisando, nos estamos enterando de por qué tiene orden de arresto. So what is it, Linda?
It's due to a violation report, Judge.
What is it?
No me lo sé. No me sé mi número.
Let me see if I can bring it up so I can tell you why.
Basically was not reporting.
¿El número mío? Tu teléfono no.
Judge,
What is
Judge,
it?
there's another lady here in the galley saying that he doesn't have a phone number. She can give the court and his attorney hers. She's been here with him. He didn't understand what you're saying. I think there's a miscommunication there, but he's just telling me he doesn't have a phone number himself. So there's no way he can give us a number. The lady in the galley said you can communicate to him through her with her phone number if he'd like.
Okay.
Fine with me, Judge.
Sí, perdón, usted no tiene el teléfono.
Oh, sí tengo, pero no me lo sé el número de memoria, el número.
Señorita, ¿usted tiene el teléfono de él?
I don't have it on hand because he's never given to me. I contact him through Messenger, so I don't have his actual phone number.
Ok. ¿Usted vive con él?
No, es un amigo, es un amigo de la familia.
¿Qué es? No quiero la dirección ahorita, pero ¿tiene usted un domicilio?
Un domicilio, sí.
¿Cómo?
Yes, he has an address. I speak English, sorry.
Okay, let me get that address and get the lady's phone number on it over the internet.
Okay, if you can come to the back offices, ma'am, I'll get all your information from you.
Also, Judge, Mr. Perdomo, his phone, his property was placed in front of him while he was in custody. So his phone, he did activate it. He is writing his phone. He said he didn't know it by memory, but he is actually putting his number, well, the lady put his current phone number on the piece of paper. He just didn't know it by memory, but I gave him access to his phone just to get the phone number and he wrote it down. Well, the lady wrote it down for you and for the attorney.
All right, well, send her back to talk Linda.
Yes, sir.
Linda information. Now, what was the violation report, Linda? Did you get it?
Yes, Judge, I got it. It's non-report, never reported.
Okay. Señor Perdomo.
Yes, sir.
¿Usted anda ahorita estaba hasta que llegó, ¿verdad?
¿Lo mande?
Mire, usted está libre bajo fianza y bajo condiciones.
Ajá.
La primera condición era que se tenía que presentar con cierta vecina y se presentó.
Judge,
Por
you
eso-
are cutting off badly, Judge. I don't understand you, nor can he. You're cutting off badly.
Oh, okay. Let's see what we can. Señor, Ms. Gabay, let me know if you can hear me.
You're still cutting off, Judge.
Wow. Okay, Linda.
Now I hear you.
Now we can hear you better.
Okay. I don't know what's going on. Usted estaba libre bajo condición que presentara en ciertas oficinas.
Sí.
Usted nunca se presentó. Y con ese motivo hicimos orden de arresto. Usted tendrá libre si cumple con las condiciones en que se tiene que reportar. ¿Entiende lo que le digo?
Sí.
What office is he supposed to report to, Linda?
He needs to report to pretrial off of 222 South Comau Street.
222?
Uh-huh.
Okay. The lady that's there,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to talk to, give her that address so
I
she can
will.
communicate it.
Okay,
I'm
I'll
gonna-
give her a copy so she can see it, and the address is right there on top.
Okay, I'm going to recall the warrant at this point.
Thank
Ms.
you, Judge.
Grabowski,
Yes, Judge.
we're going to recall that warrant and reinstate his bond, whatever the PR, whatever it was.
Yes, Judge. Yes.
But usted va a estar libre si cumple con las condiciones. Una va a ser de que se presente en las oficinas como es, como le ha dicho o le van a decir. ¿Entendido?
Sí.
Si presenta y o cumple con las condiciones, lo vamos a encerrar. ¿Entendido?
Sí, entiendo.
Ok. Espere a su amiga que va a regresar en un momento con la información necesaria.
Okay.
All right. Flavio Hernandez.
Yes, Judge. My client Sarah Alvarado does accept the plea offer of JSAT, time served, on her case. It's on page 3. Sarah Alvarado.
Yes, sir.
334. I have forwarded the email, her email to Linda and to Virgil, the prosecutor.
All right. And
Is she in town?
She's on Zoom. I don't know.
Or does she reside in San Antonio?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so it'll be in person.
that's for a plea.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Can we do it on October 4th?
Yes, Linda, or we could do it September 23rd if Tabitha Valadez is also in person on September 23rd.
You want to do it on the 23rd? Okay, we could do it
You know what the
Friday.
23rd is?
Friday.
This Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do both of them on Friday. That's fine.
Thank you, then. We'll see you on Friday,
Okay.
All right. What time are you going to be there?
9 sharp. 8:30. 7 a.m.
1 o'clock.
I'm sorry, it's 1 o'clock.
That's what I thought. Okay.
That's when the police are at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Y'all get here early, do your paperwork.
quiet, Mom.
And
Can't
then
tell if they can hear me or not.
we do
Thank
All
you,
right.
Judge. Thank you, Judge. 1 o'clock.
You're welcome. Charles Bunk,
Linda, make me co-host,
Yes,
please.
Judge.
what you got?
I'm present. I'm still waiting. I was in a waiting room for a DA, but nobody ever came. And then my client was put in there. I just need to confer with the DA. My client's in a waiting room as well.
Linda?
I'm, okay, give me a second. Okay, I'll put you in there. Give me a second.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Robert Moore.
Judge, apologies for my tardiness. I think I sent you an email this morning about where I was.
Right.
I am being summoned back there. I have 3 people on your docket, Judge. I wanted to see if I could be recalled for an in-person docket, just so I think I can resolve most of these. It's awkward for me trying to confer on 3 defendants on a Zoom docket.
Okay, give me the case numbers real quick.
Yes, Judge. First one is 644-562, Christina Gomez.
Right. Going to recall it in.
Did you give me a date, Judge, or will Linda send me one?
Linda.
Linda will send you one.
Perfect. And do you want my other case, Judge?
Yes, sir.
One of the other ones is 660-373, Adrian Reyes. He should be logged on.
60.
Yes, I'm here. 660-373, Judge.
Right. That's Adrian Reyes.
Yes, sir. If I can do the same date as the other one.
Yes, sir. And your third one?
Judge, the third one is 663-841, Michelle Espitia. She has a felony pending date of 10/21. So I'm not sure if the court can give me another date after that.
Let's see, today is the 20. What do you have? Are you talking about?
Yeah, the court date for the 186 is October 21st, Judge. That's on her felony.
All right. So the 20, about the 24th of February, the date is that reset 30. Well, October. Let's say 12, but I don't know what date of the week that is.
Okay, what are we looking at for who? I'm sorry.
That's for Especia 6841.
Page
This is
4.
Robert Marr. We're getting him reset.
The felony is 10/21, Linda.
10/21?
That's the felony. He wants
So
to
we can
vote
do,
afterwards.
we can do 10/24.
That's
All
fine.
right.
That'll be perfect.
And the other two, you have to give them dates on that 60373.
Okay, do you want the same date?
That'd be perfect. That's fine. That makes it easier for me.
Okay.
And it's in person, right?
Yes, starting October 3rd, we are back in person. So all
Hallelujah.
yours will be October 24th.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, Judge. Sorry about my tardiness.
Wait, 64452 Gomez.
I think, yeah, the Christina Gomez.
Yeah.
That was going to be that. We talked about that one. That was going to be the same date.
Very good. All right. You're all set.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Courtroom.
Ms. Gomez, you're reset to 10/24, and that'll be in person. And you'll have to be in the courtroom for docket call at 9.
At 9 in the courtroom on October 24th. That's a
Yes.
Monday.
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Yes, Your Honor, this is Fernando Cortez in the courtroom.
All right.
Judge, I have an individual who's not on your docket today. It's a 687-165, case 687-165, a violation. I'm sorry, Judge.
87.
687-165.
Okay. All right. What's the name of the individual?
Christian Garcia.
All right.
The court had previously given me an extension to get an ignition interlock device for my client. My client placed the ignition interlock device on his vehicle. Within a few days of that placement, the vehicle was stolen. I have a copy of the little police report receipt that he did, along with having the car stolen. It wasn't insured, I don't think, but either way, the ignition airlock device people required him to pay $700 for his portion of the deductible. He obviously now he doesn't have a vehicle. He needs to get the portable. The portable, he can't get it on till the 22nd, which is this Thursday. He can't even do it in Austin. There's a shortage of the portable devices. So the pretrial officer yesterday submitted a violation report to the court without notifying them of these details that I just informed the court about. And the court issued a warrant for his arrest yesterday for non-compliance with the ignition airlock device. But
Yes, Judge.
Recall the warrant on June.
Recall warrant, okay.
When did you say he's gonna have the PAM?
on the 22nd, this Thursday, Your Honor, he'll have the portable device. I can bring the receipt.
Make sure that you enforce that he in fact has it installed, okay?
I'll take care of that right away, Judge.
All right.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Well, Gail Calderola,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
I have two cases. It's Mercedes Moreno, and she's on page 6. It's case number 680154.
Page 660-154.
Yes, Your Honor. Is she present?
She is.
Okay.
So she had been.
Well, I'm going to need to confer with the prosecutor and with her to find out if she did the classes, because we had an offer last time that she was willing to accept.
All right.
And the second case is Sway Savala, and he's on page 8, and it's 687655.
He failed to appear, Gail.
You failed to appear, Gail.
Yeah, this is the second time.
Hello.
Are you there? No. Oh, I thought it was. I thought it was.
Go to room 20.
Was that Sway?
No, that's Charles Funk.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right.
And I'll put you in a breakout room, Gail.
Okay. Yeah. And I had emailed him the last time. I can't get him by the phone number he gave me. It's a Valley number. And okay, I'll continue to try to get a hold of him.
All right.
Charles,
Thank you, Judge.
you need to go to room 20.
Miguel Hernandez.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. On Mr. Perdomo, they don't have a file, I think she said.
Say again?
I don't believe there was a file. Is that correct, Miss?
Yes, you're correct. It's a no file.
So I would ask for a reset, Judge, and possibly talk to my client.
Sure. Case number.
691295, page 10.
Yes. That was a gentleman we just went through getting the information, sir.
Right.
Gail, go to 1, Gail.
No, Linda, can I go with my client first and find out if she did the classes? That's who I thought you were sending me to.
Okay, who's your client?
My client is Mercedes Moreno.
Miguel, perdón.
Yes, sir.
All right, I withdrew the warrant.
Yes, sir.
I had him informed that he
Yes,
has
sir.
to be reporting or that he will be back in jail.
Yes, sir. I'll go with Linda, get his information. I will contact him and that lady, or if they could come to my office right now, I'm 2 blocks away. I'll be glad to talk with him.
He does have a phone. It's just
Yes,
that
sir.
he doesn't know the number.
Yep.
And how
Yes, sir. I
long
heard
have
all
you
that.
been- How
He
long
doesn't
have
call
you been
himself.
studying
He has himself, so. All right,
this? And how many days are we resetting this for?
what do you need, Miguel?
It's a no file.
I don't know, sir. I don't know how long it's gonna take them to figure out a file, get a
Let's give
file.
him, listen, reset it 45 days. Let's see if it's enough.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, November 8th, sorry. Gail, your client's
Thank
not
you, Judge.
on.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
No,
Thank you.
Okay, she's not there?
Then we,
not here.
With all due respect, if I may interrupt, with all due respect, Gail's client is here. I cannot put her in a breakout room because I have attorneys that want to speak to the judge and she does not have access to a phone.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Are you in the courthouse? Gail?
No,
Gail?
Oh, yeah. Are you speaking to me, Judge?
Yeah, are you in the courthouse?
No, I'm at my office, but I can come if you want.
All right. We'll have
Gail, did you want to confer with the DA and let me see if I can get her back here or something?
All I need to know from her is if she attended the classes, so I'll confer with the DA if he's available.
Give me a minute. I'll have Grabowski bring her back here and we can talk.
Thank you.
Try to talk to her.
All right, again, Jose Rocha.
Go ahead and go to 1. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Linda.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I have received an offer from the district attorney's office. I need to go over that offer with my client. It's a little bit different than we had expected. So apparently there was
Jose, case number? Jose Rocha, case number.
yes, Your Honor, I'm looking it up right now. It's 668881.
All right, that's Godina. So what you got now?
Your Honor, we have just received an offer from the district attorney's
Just
office.
wait.
I need to go over that offer with my client because it's a bit different
Okay,
than what
I hear you. So I'm down. Week,
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I hear a lot of background noise.
I know. This time, do we need 3 weeks?
I think that 2 weeks would be fine, Your Honor. And if
Really?
I have a response prior to that, I will call your staff and set it either for a plea or set it for trial.
You won't need to set it for trial anymore. I mean, set it for plea. Starting October 3rd, we will be back in person. So if you come in on October the 4th, and if y'all decide to plea, we can plea it out.
I think that if we're gonna put it in a track, I would put it in a trial track before I put it into a plea track.
Ah,
I need to talk to my client though. I
okay.
might change.
So do you want 2 weeks?
2 weeks would be fine. if that's
October 4th?
possible. October 4th will be perfect. I just know that I am in person.
Yes,
and the
in person.
187. Oh, okay.
Here too.
Gonna be there in the 187th. Yes, no
Okay.
problem. We're good.
All right.
In the room.
Sean Farmer.
Thank you. May I be excused, Your Honor, at this time?
Yes, sir. Sean
Thank you.
Farmer.
Hello, good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for a case on page number 7 under 684027. And I apologize for being tardy. I've been in 2 other courts this morning.
Well, just be aware, Mr. Farmer, that our local rules require you to let us know if you're not gonna be here at 9. We understand it says that, but you're supposed to give us that information, so we're not sitting here waiting and knowing whether you're gonna appear or not.
I understand, Your Honor, and I phoned the court. I'm uncertain if they
Oliver Recinos, he's been waiting since 9. What do you want to do, Mr. Farmer?
Your Honor, I need to confer with the state. I believe this is the second setting to go over the file with them.
All right, I'll show you referring. Let's see. Brenda Levenstein,
Yes, I'm here.
case numbers.
Okay, Mr. Rendon is on the Zoom. He's got a few cases. Let's see.
653111, page 3. Mr. Farmer, can you get on your phone so I can put you in a breakout room, please?
Yeah, I just informed him about that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thanks.
All right. Miss Rendon, Miss Levenstein,
Yes, he's got felonies pending and I've put out an email to the felony prosecutor to try to work all these cases out together.
all right, well, he's got one that's unindicted, so let's give you 60-day reset, unindicted felony.
Okay.
November 29th.
All right. What else?
And my other case is Ronald Tristan, case number 671796.
Page 5, Judge. Actually, he FTA'd, Brenda.
No, he just showed up at 11:40.
Did. Okay, thank you.
Is he in the courtroom?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
I informed Don that if he's this late again, next time he is, he's in the box for a day. Ms. Grabowski, if you'd be so kind.
Yeah,
I
I'm in the-
apologize, Judge. You were cutting off. I did not hear you, sir.
All right. Inform Mr. Tristan that if he shows up late again, I will put him in cuffs for the rest of the day.
I
Or
will inform
more.
him. I will inform him, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Levenstein, what are you doing? You gonna confer on him too?
Yeah, I'm out. I'm in your ante room. You know, I'll just go in the courtroom.
Is that it, or you have another one?
I think that's it.
What are we doing on Tristan? Are we gonna reset him?
No, she's
Well,
gonna.
can I
confer on him.
confer with the
Oh,
state?
I'm sorry. Yeah, I can put you in a breakout room. Hold on.
Okay.
All right. Any other attorney that's,
Charles
thought I
Bunk
had
is
somebody
back, I
else.
believe. And Charles Bunk?
Yes, I'm back.
Okay.
Charlie, what's going on?
Hey, Judge, we have a plea worked out. So whenever you can get us in or have us do it, we're ready whenever you are.
Is
All right.
October reset for plea? Is October 4th good for you? We will be back in person.
Let me look.
Which number are we talking about?
669-627, Judge. Page 5.
October 4th is fine.
Okay, and we'll be back in person so we can do it that morning.
Okay. Can my clients I think he's still in 16. Can you send me back there and I'll tell him and we'll log off from there?
Sure. Give me one
Okay,
second.
thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
Take care, Charles. Good to see you.
Likewise.
Okay. We got everybody pretty well in line.
Mr. Barrera?
Judge Roy. Judge Roy Bean Barrera. Hey, Roy Barrera. You can't fool me.
You're muted.
Hi, Mr. Barrera is here in another Zoom. And let me let him know that y'all are ready for him.
Okay, thank
But,
you.
he may be in the middle of that Zoom, so I'll come back and check with you.
Okay,
That's
thank
right.
you.
Thank you.
Amanda.
Linda,
Yeah,
for Mr. Christopher Castro, in regards to Mr. Mark Anthony Lopez on page 3,
uh-huh.
are we gonna squeeze him in on that motion to suppress and motion for a speedy trial hearing?
Yeah, Judge, what time will you be getting here so we could do, I think it's gonna be, a plea, right? Is that correct, Christopher?
It's an MTR.
It's an MTR.
Adjudicate and extend.
Okay. So
I'll
no
be-
jail
I'll be
time?
there
yet?
at 1:30.
What was that? Both of you cut off.
I will be there at 1:30.
Okay, Judge, so you want the attorney and the defendant here at 1:30 as well?
Are we scheduled for it, Linda? I thought we had motion.
We have a motion to suppress at 1:30. Can we do it about 1? It's an
No.
MTR.
I won't be there. I'll be there at 1:30.
Okay, so we can do it real quick because it's an MTR. It's not a full plea. So it shouldn't take that long, and then we can start the motion to suppress right after.
Who do we have at 1:30?
Roundtree,
And the motion is what?
motion to suppress, and then at 3 o'clock, we have a motion for speedy trial.
And that,
That is Jesus Garza.
Linda, I thought the attorney had something at 1:30. That's what you wanted at 1.
I know, well, Jed,
I don't even know where he's at. He was just here.
I'm right here. Hang on.
Oh,
Judge, I have a felony bond setting in Judge Carruthers Court at 1:30.
well, we call it some other day.
he's the one that's in custody, Judge.
Perdomo?
Uh-huh. No. Lopez, Mark Lopez,
What's the case number?
656-849.
Yeah, he's shown as fugitive, and that's Mark Lopez.
Mhm.
Mr. Castro, how long do you think this will take, more or less?
We're in agreement with the state judge. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes.
Okay, then see me at 1:30. We'll hear it then.
Okay, Judge, I do have that bond hearing at 1:30 in Judge Carruthers Court. Would you like me to come in just before 1:30?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Flavio,
Hi, Judge. I have a client named Rocky Soto who walked into court today. I didn't know he was set. I don't believe he was set. He was FTA about a week ago or two. We have a plea agreement to JSAT his 2 cases. One is an MTR. He should be in the court or in the hallway. Rocky Soto,
When did I reset your other one for?
the 23rd, Friday.
You want to do it then?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll set it for the 23rd.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
is that it?
Judge, can I be excused for like 15 minutes? I gotta go downstairs. Judge, can you hear me?
What happened?
Judge, can I be excused for like 15 minutes?
Well, in 5 minutes, I'm gonna take the lunch break. So
Oh,
you can
okay.
be excluded lunch as of right now.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I'll be back at 1:30.
Judge,
Yes.
this is Amanda Torres. I wasn't able to speak with you, but my attorney didn't show up today. So what does that mean for me?
Okay.
Thomas
What is your
Healy,
name?
Judge. It's
Sorry?
69236, page 3. The bottom of page 3.
Amanda Torres and Thomas Hilliard did not show up. We
No.
called 2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay.
Ms.
October,
Ms. Torres, are you able to come back and?
Yes, I can do that. But I have been trying to get a hold of Mr. Healy for a few months now, and I don't know if he's okay or not, but I cannot get a hold of him.
Ms. Flores,
yes.
get a hold of Mr. Hilliard and let him know that if he doesn't show up in 2 weeks, I'm gonna replace him.
Yes, sir. Miss Amanda?
Yes.
October 4th, we will be back in person. I will need you in the courtroom for docket call at 9 o'clock, okay?
9 a.m. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Judge Roy,
Yes, sir, Judge. I'm back. I'm with Hugo Vargas. Judge, he, for some reason, received information he thought directly from you that his case today was on the docket for September the 28th. So Hugo was home, unaware that he had to appear today, but he's now with us and he's on your screen, Judge.
What's the case number?
660129, page 4. He did show up at 11:30. 660129.
Okay. I show him present.
And Your Honor, we have not conferred yet with the state. You did send me to a breakout room, but my phone battery went down.
Okay, so do you still want to confer?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. Linda.
I am putting him in a breakout room.
Very good.
Thank you, Judge.
Go to 3, please.
Okay, the court, go ahead and we're gonna get into lunch break. Those
Okay.
that are conferring, let them finish.
Gail, how can I help you?
Yes, I conferred with Mr. Yanta, and I would just like Deputy Dombrowski to ask my client, who is in the courtroom, if she completed the classes and if the judge would give me more time to have her completed if she hasn't.
I did hear the question, Miss Calderola. She told me no, she was waiting on some documents, but she was going to the office to get on Zoom or speak with you. Because I think Linda said that she can go over there and talk to you through her laptop or something. So she's out there.
I don't have any information on the classes that she needs, but if we can give that to her.
I don't know, ma'am. She's out there in Linda's office.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank
I do
you.
believe Linda stepped out to check on her.
All right, Judge, if she hasn't completed the classes, can we give her a little more time?
Yes, ma'am. Come in here, close the door, please.
How much time you need, Gil?
I don't know how much time she needs to complete these classes.
What
She was
classes do you need to complete?
She said 20 hours of anger management, but I never.
I'm here paid any rest. I remember that.
just read 30-day reset and see if she can get them done, because she's had some time.
30 days, okay. 30 days would be 10/25.
Thank
Where
you.
do I get the information to take the?
And it's just the 20 hours of anger management?
Work today.
No, I think it was 2 theft classes. It was a 16-hour theft APSE and APSE.
I'll go for another job.
15 hours, 8.
Well, why would you get fired?
Because I didn't show.
Okay, so 16 hours APSE.
Mm-hmm.
Two
Plus 4
classes?
an hour. There's 2 of them. There's 2 classes. And he wanted her to do both.
APS 2 courses.
And
Okay.
I'll have to get the information from the CLO because I don't have.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
All right, that's
And
great.
is that the only one, Gil?
That's the only one. My other person failed to appear.
Okay, all right, we'll get on it then.
All right, thank you, Linda. So am I excused?
Judge?
Already, y'all take care.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you so much.
There, and I'll get what I need for you.
Okay, thank you.
This has been crazy.
Then what do you have?
Tim is for the 1:30 motion to suppress, Judge.
That's correct, Judge. I've never been this early before.
All right. Brenda Levenstein.
Your Honor, okay, so Mr. Tristan is with me in the anteroom. He's well, anyway, I went into the breakout room, but the prosecutor never came. And I need to run back up to the 290th right now to do a plea. on another person that I've had trouble getting to come to court. So I want to reset this case if possible, and I'll talk to the state in the interim. It's an evading case.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
That's fine. That's fine. I just need to know a specific date so I can tell him.
What do you
Which
need?
week- which
How
one do
much
you
time?
want, Brenda?
Whatever. What, just
2,
pick one.
3, 30. Tell me.
30.
30. Okay, 10:25. And you can email Virgil Yanta. He's the one right now. Kenny is out on vacation, I believe, for the whole week.
So October 25th.
Uh-huh.
And that will be in person, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. October 25th.
And Virgil Yanta for now.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Hello, I have a question.
What is your name?
Abdiel Baltasar. I just wanted to know if I was on the docket for today.
Do you have a case number?
No.
A SID number?
Sid, no.
What's your date of birth?
090502.
What is your name?
Abdiel Baltasar.
Could it be a different first name?
Abdiel Baltasar Coronado. That's my full name.
Is Coronado your first name?
No, it's my last name.
Oh, they have it as your first name. Okay, hold on. What's the charge, sir?
I think it was if I can remember.
Criminal trespass?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're set for October the 19th.
October the 19th.
Yeah, we'll be back in person. You will need to be in the courtroom for a docket call at 9 o'clock, okay?
9 o'clock. And can I have information on my attorney?
Richard Garcia, his phone number is 210-843-8004.
04. Give me this. Alrighty.
Okay,
Is that all?
that's it.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm. Mr. Hunt,
Yes,
how can we help you?
I've got Joshua Martinez on page 10, 691-264. That's a jail case.
He has a felony pending.
I believe so, yes.
Judge, 45 days?
Mr. Hunt, it is
Yes, Your
12:04. We have not heard from it all.
Yes, I've been in the 144th and 3.
Mr. Hunt, I shouldn't do remind you, the rules require you to inform us at a time if you have other courts in conflict. We haven't heard from it all. I don't appreciate that. I find that disrespectful. I'm reminding you of that. I'm going to take action on you, but I will. Do we understand each other?
Yes, Judge.
All right, James. Now, what do we do with this?
It's a felony pending unindicted, Judge,
Right,
45
let's give them
days?
60 days. Try to
Okay,
get this thing settled up.
okay, that would be November the 29th, Mr. Hunt.
Take, Mr. Hunt.
Mr. Hunt, I'm sorry.
John Farmer, what do you?
Your Honor, I do have an offer from the state. I'd like to relate to my client, and I believe he'd be accepting this offer. If I could request a reset date for a plea.
Give me the case.
It's under case number 684027 on page 7.
Is October the 4th good for you? We'll be back in person, Mr. Farmer.
let me see. Yes, that will work. I'll make it work.
Okay. If not, is there another date during that week?
No, October 4th is
It's
great.
good? Okay, so you and your client will need to be in person for docket call at 9.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, sir.
Linda, did Judge Barrera need to confer?
Yeah, he's in a breakout room.
I went in there. He's been on the phone for.
Yeah, he did want to talk to you though.
Okay, I'll just keep trying back there every minute or so.
Okay, Oliver Deseños.
Presente.
Necesita venir a corte el 4 de octubre en persona a las 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. ¿Ya puedo salirme de acá?
Está libre.
Ok, gracias.
De nada. We have a whole bunch of cases unaccounted for.
Pedro Martinez.
Yes, ma'am. Pedro Martinez here.
Who's your attorney?
Miss Suzanne Kramer.
Okay. All right, let me try calling her. Hold on.
All right, thank you.
Oh, me llamas. Ando acá.
Okay, Pedro Martinez.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I left Suzanne Kramer a message.
Right.
And I'm resetting you 2 weeks to October 4th.
All right.
Okay, and by then, I don't know if you've heard me, it'll be in person, so you have to be here by 9 o'clock, okay?
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Linda,
Yes,
what do we have coming up at 1 PM? Chris Castro's case?
no, 1:30, we have, a motion to suppress and hopefully we'll be able to get Christopher's case a little bit before since it's an MTR.
Okay, is that the only case, before, Tim's case at 1:30?
Yeah, that would be the only one.
Okay, can you send me the trial docket for tomorrow? I don't have a list.
Thought I did. I know I did, but I'll resend it to you.
Hey, Linda, if Virgil's available, can I speak with him in a breakout room?
Hey, Tim, and sorry to interrupt, Linda, that would be Nick's case. We got a visiting prosecutor for today, Nick Maru, and he's at lunch right now.
Okay.
But if you want to send him an email, he'll get it or he'll respond when he gets right back, but he'll be handling the MTS.
Okay, no problem. I'll just talk to him when he gets here.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
We'll be in recess, or at least will be.
Yes, Judge, I'll take care of the other three once I'm done. I just need to take a little break, but I'll be done. Mr. Barrera, how can I help you?
Roy, what's going on?
I don't think he can hear us. This is how it was in the breakout room. I don't think he can hear us. Can you hear us now, Roy?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you want to confirm?
Yes, please. Is that you?
Yeah, it's me, Virgil.
Y'all can go back to room 3.
I'll see you in there, Roy.
Where are we going? Can you hear me?
How can I help you?
You said you're gay.
Hello?
I don't want to hear that you're gay, bro.
Isaiah? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
We can hear you. Were you talking to us?
No, I was not talking to y'all. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna
What
go
is
ahead and
your,
mute
what is
myself.
your, do you know your case number?
I do not know my case number.
Who's your attorney?
Matthew Brown.
Okay, I'm gonna reset you 2 weeks. I'm looking for your case. I'm gonna give you November the 4th.
Okay.
Okay, so I need you here in person. We'll be back in person, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You got it.
Okay, what is your last name, Isaiah, again?
Tardy.
Okay, I'll reset you, okay?
Thank you. It was
I'm sorry,
the
October
date
4th.
again. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, October 4th. I meant to say October. If you heard me say November, I meant October 4th.
Okay. October 4th. You got it.
Yes, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Hugo Vargas,
Yes,
who's your attorney?
Roy Verera.
Okay, hold on, because he's conferring.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Uh,
Mr. Godina,
Sí,
okay, so necesita venir para atrás el 4 de octubre, aquí en el corte, a las 9.
el 4 de octubre.
Sí, en persona,
Ok,
¿ok?
sí, está bien.
Ok, gracias.
Gracias.
Mr. Barrera, how can I help you? I can't hear you.
Linda, we've got an agreement reached to resolve all of his cases, and last time I talked to him a few minutes ago, Roy wanted to see if he can come in and do the plea right before the MTS at 1:30.
Well, can we do Friday, Mr. Barrera? Can you call me? I can't hear you. Can't wait to go back in person. Mr. Barrera? Mr. Barrera, can you unmute yourself and see if I can hear you? Okay. Mr. Barrera? They're gonna have to wait, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Um. Okay, so actually, actually not today. Can we do Friday? Do you want to do Friday? Okay, so Friday afternoon at 1. And I'll let him know. Can you be here though in the morning? Okay, if you're here in the morning and you do the paperwork, then we'll do it on Zoom for you. Okay, all right. All right, you're welcome. Bye-bye. Okay, Hugo Vargas? Hello?
Hello?
Okay, so we're going to do your plea on Friday morning.
Okay, do I have to
Okay.
be there or?
Okay.
Yes, I need you here in person at 9 o'clock.
Okay, it's this Friday, right?
Yes, the 23rd. So be here at 9 o'clock in the morning to do the plea.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. I'm
All right.
my excuse now.
Yes, you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. All right, Virgil, we're done until 1:30 or so. Hello?
Hey, Linda, so come down at 1:30
Yeah, that's fine. Or whenever.
or whenever. And I'm going home, but
I'm telling you. Hey, I think I forgot to give you the first page of Friday's docket. It's right here.
okay, are there about 300 cases?
Yeah, you know.
Okay, same old, same old.
I think I forgot to give you the first page. If you look at your docket that I gave you that I copied, I
Mhm.
think I forgot to give you page 1.
Let me see, you sent it,
I gave it to you when you were here.
oh, yeah.
And
I
somebody
got
goes, here's page 1. I was like, oh crap.
Let me see. Okay, yeah, page 1. I got page 1.
Oh, you do?
Yes. Oh, this is for
923 is the one.
for yesterday. My bad.
No, the one for 923 that I handed to you for the jury,
Okay.
for the jury docket call. I think I forgot to give you page 1.
Okay. Let me take a look. Oh, yeah, I don't have page 1.
Okay, I'll give it to you when you come down. I'll put it on y'all's desk.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, all right, we're
Awesome.
done.